Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
The Tambourine! It's all about the Tambourine family. I'm here, summer. I'm here, sing.
One K in a place, you know, okay? Big up yourself. Sonia, where I go down?
Tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people. Let's go.
Get right!
Yeah. Hey, Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But at least we stand by mine because the wind of revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ting-a-ling-a-ling. School bell a ring. Teacher baggy tie with one little. I was just sitting. Oh, hold on, the way video there. I never sent over the video. Oh my God. Wagwan people. Talk to me, wagwan. Need to send over the video right now. And things seen. Right now, we're all a meds for now and yeah. Seeing what's going on, people. Talk to me. Talk to me. What is going? People again, you know, we just want to say condolences to the relatives them of Kukudu. Relatives and loved one for Kukudu and thing. We lost a great one, people. And I know, say, boy, me ever champion the youth there. From him, they just a singing at church, right? And me love him song them and thing. Me love him and the woman from RB Singers. What's she name again? And she said, long time TamFam. Remember me used to play RB Singers and there was a song when me did love from RB Singers. And the lead singer, and she at the beginning, she said something about someone stand up in there stiff like when drop in a starch. Who remember that? Right? At the beginning. Sham, big up yourself, you know. Sham, me see you in some posts and whatever, and your clothes look nice and clean. Big up yourself. Right? Your clothes look nice and clean like you know for wash. Right? Your clothes them look, you know, cleaner than Empress Milo clothes. Because Empress Milo clothes them never look like them wash good yet. I don't know what I go on this. But Sean, big up yourself, boo, big up yourself. But who remember that song, the man? Riding, Prince Emmanuel, riding. Who remember that song, the man? I used to kill it, man, back in idea Jamaica, man, riding. Kalia, you listen to Ragashanti long time. You probably know that song there. Who listen to Ragashanti from Jamaica days? I remember we used to one revival song we used to play, Riding. Right? Riding. Prince Emmanuel, riding. My heart overflow, 'cause I love him below. Riding. Me not sing it good. No, it's not a Kukudu song. It's RB Singers, but you did have one woman named Sister sitting on it. Sister sitting on it. I forgot where her name was, you know. Sister, Milo, what a freshness. My clothes them clean. Wait, it's only Jamaican. You, Sister Scully, you're right. Ash, you're right. She's same one. Sister Scully. Sister, you know, Sister Peggy did it now. Sister Peggy was like my mother, right? But Sister Scully and Coco, who knows Sister Scully? Yeah, man, Sister Scully did try that, man. She transitioned a good while ago. But them was my two revival. Cause you know, Kukudu song, you know, I used to kill it back in the day at Jamaica, man. And things, so the soldier them tried on, you know. Oh, hold on, Lord Jesus. Every time I put in this thing, I forgot to change it. The date. All right. Today is Tuesday. Hold on, let me change the thing here for you. 10 million things are happening at the same time. Okay. Tuesday, May 12th, 2026. All right. Facebook and YouTube, you can, if the date matter to you, you can refresh on thing, you know? All right. If the date matter to you, refresh on a stream. And you will see the correct date. And by the way, good evening, people. So I say Sister Scully and Kokodo, no, I'm a revival people, because I grew up in a Christian home and I went to a European derived church and I went to an Afro-Jamaican revivalist church. Well, churches, right? Because my mother was a revivalist, but she was also a staunch Baptist. So I'm a church boy, right? And if you understand Jamaican culture, no wonder I broke out so. Because we who were raised in church homes, when we get the green light, nobody in a bad luck away, right? So, but me was a church boy right through and through, cause, you know, Miss Cherry, a.k.a. Sister Scott, she in a ramp with them sitting there. Right, me telling you what my mother tell me all the while, you know. God and the books. The two most important things that my mother tell me. God and the books. And she said, if God and the books are the two most important things, she said the two most important thing is where, the two most important places is where? Church and school. That Miss Cherry said. She said, two most important thing in life, God and the books. That Miss Cherry said. And she said, those things are, and she said, in that order too. She had a thing like, not no more important God than not even the books here. But anyway, so she said, if God and the books are the two most important thing in life, she said, then the two most important places are church and school. So you know, so boy grew up in a church and thing, you know. So two type of church I grew up in. So it in me, you understand? And thing, big up Miss Cherry again, you know. Yeah, big up Miss Cherry. Yeah, because you don't know. Yeah, my mother, well, you know, my mother did grew up in a certain thing. So when pressure reach her, she deal with things the way she did know to deal with things and whatever. Were they effective? Not necessarily, but they were useful from a cultural perspective, all right? Because up till now, me still have up, when me did a runner from my home and them said, up it up on me and she carried me to the man, we make me jump over the fire 7 times, back and forth. 7 times, me have to jump over the fire. Oh, by the way, you have to go back and forth, you know, but when you go so and go so, I want that. And thing, yeah. I bet, you know, probably, when me look back on that, I said, boy, mama, you shouldn't really carry me this way, you know. I'm going to give the crosses man your money. I you know, some in here, kid, but to his credit, you know, him not come near me and touch me and tell my mother what to do and whatever, and them put on brief and thing. What you mean it work? Well, well, we don't know if it dopey them this stuff follow me. Can me run away after that again? Several times me run away after that. So if I did dopey, me I run it, then it never work. Right? Yeah. Yeah, but the dopey them did for make me stop running and that never worked. Poor Miss Cherry. Oh God, the woman did stress out and thing and whatever, you know, Lord. Guess sometimes I look back at me and say, boy, when you don't know, don't. Anyway. Hershey pie, that's why you sell body so cheap. You see, when you ain't dirty nigga, when you make dirty nigga know your business, you know, that's why me. When something me now, I'm gonna know, you see it. I'm telling them again, I'm looking $40 thing and whatever. And one Hershey pie that they beat me about it, that thing. But I know I saw no tan. I don't know, I'm sitting for hang on pan and I don't let it go. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, no, Sham, you're right about that, you know. And no, you know that my older now, me understand now what did I go on. You know, fight or flight. That did I go on, you know. That did I go on. Honestly, that did I go on. Two things make me run away, you know. The first time me run away from beaten. The first time me run away, I beaten him, I did get him a run away. I end up a country and say, I now go home because my mother unfortunately used to give me some ratted beating there. And then after that, now, when I had life reach and whatever, and my mother and my sister, them sit down there and I hold it and thing, me take the road feet, man. Yeah, sometimes some breed are hungry and hard life reach with India, and, you know, and my mother bad and I say she not enough food for feed her, pitney them and thing and whatever. But you can't do certain things around and I care where you go through. So when them hard life that they go on, I take the road feet, man, go beg people money and buy food, or I go in a supermarket and take out them things and thief people and something them. Thief them food. I go in a supermarket, go thief them food and eat. That's right. I'm telling you, you see that's something there. And it's not easy, you understand? But I couldn't tell my mother because one time I go so and boom and bring back things and then she never know where it come from and then did I go on and thing, you know. Tell them, Raga, a long time you have a problem. What you? I'll be a problem I get in and speak to man and then a boys' homes, jails and whatever till government take me over and have me. You know, government, boys' home, all kind of sitting. We've been there. Go through it and thing, you know. Anyway, pan the real though, pan a different thing. Like yesterday, someone take me on yesterday with the lady who called in and talk about the man who was strongly suspecting go take a pill them for him Teely. And Teely. Well, let's be careful because Jamaicans will only use Teely for little boys and for men with wingy something, right? Teely. But anyway, someone wanna draw me up and I say like when she did that say, when the man did that say, oh she boom it off and things that cause a pain or whatever, say something can go so and me did that tell her I said nothing can go so, right? Again, a few hours today draw me up and I said, Raga, oh you ever say that and Ray, you know say that can't happen, right? A couple of things. I think couldn't miss couple of things when me did say, right? As if you may recall, at one point, me said to her, say, yeah, if him go take something, if him think stiff up and strong up and stay up and thing. When it's stiff, so, right? Sometimes women ride it and them just in them own world and I know so them for ride it with certain way for a man enjoy it too. Una never remember one point me all explain to her and I say, no man, if it's stiff, say so, and him did already have blue balls and blood up and I say, even if it doesn't lean it so look at it have hurt him and pain him and stuff like that. You know remember me tell her that? Who did hear when me tell her that? Right? Because a couple people I say, whenever you when you say that. Yeah, me say that. That's our first thing. Right? But the second thing when I miss the point with, me never say she couldn't boom it off, a woman can boom off a man thing in a way where it end up a pain him and hurt him. Yeah, some women do that. Yeah. My point was that even if that happened, that wasn't the reason why him did. Remember, I said the man did in a pain first and thing and whatever, man, and she say him a walk and a bend over in a pain and whatever. Not that there's stuff to figure out, or for deduce, or for work out. Say, I know she caused that. How she if cause that when them do ever start do nothing yet? That is my point. The man did come in there in a pain when them come when them link. Him did already in a pain, and she said she see him a walk up and down like when woman are take in and them in a labor and them something there whatever. Them time that them not do nothing yet. So a she if cause it where him a say a she cause it. Right? I can't she cause it when them not do nothing yet. Better say she exacerbated it, okay? Right? Big up sinner, see you. Right? Better say she aggravated it or something like that. And even that we don't know. How much? 269. I number people over here. The number they need to change real quick. No, I see one different number. They say it's a 270. No, it's a 269. Right? So who know that draw me up and I say, like, me miss the ball lesser because sometimes that can happen. I know say that can. People, a man's instrument, even though not born in there, it can be broken. Right? Make anybody from hospital tell you. There is a thing called broken penis. Like penis can broke. You can broke your hand, you can broke your foot, and you can broke your penis. Right? Broke. All right? Stay Salon, big up. Right? You can broke it. See? But somebody did send something to me, you know. And I wait near him again. Somebody did I wait, where they sitting in there? Okay, we did a talk about the hospital people, you know, are sitting in the MRSA, methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus. There is this thing out there, you know, for make the thing sound academic and bright, you put it in a Greek and Latin. Right? So this is the thing when we are talking about, right? Right. What happens is that you have these men who take these things out there, they peel them and them something there out there, seen? For enhance them performance and to help them when them having some reasonable biological limitations due to age or diet or whatever the case may be, you know, and them want some help and thing and whatever. And then them take these things. So I was just explaining that the body adapts. The body adapts to anything. Anything the body adapts to. So whichever pill you take and thing and whatever, for whatever benefit you get from it, you always run the risk of that thing reaching a point where it don't work anymore. That's why any medical people would tell you, say, if you don't have to take antibiotics, don't take it. Because we use that as an example. It's a problem when people take antibiotics and thing and then it not work anymore. Right? And it's the same thing with these men who taking all these body pills out there. Them take it. And then it's a high pressure situation them a take it for. involving, a multiplicity of factors related to whether or not you're a man, whether or not you can please woman, whether or not you're going to end up shame and embarrass and all them something there. So that's a high pressure thing that man put upon himself with them something there, right? So them take them pill left, so that them can perform. And then now, when the body adapt to the pill them and them don't work as well, sometimes it don't even have nothing to do with the pill. Sometimes it's just some other things that go on in them life, but them become so pill focused, like everything become pill centered. Sometimes them probably under some stress and sleep well and whatever, and that impact them, but them say, it's the pill, we need more pill. And what the man them out there do? They're taking these pills. As soon as them see like the pill now work, what some of them do, them a take 2 of the pill them. Wrong. What is it? Them start take 3 of the pill them. Wrong. What Big Bear and the other nurse them and the doctor them always telling them. No care what you feel, take the antibiotics them the way them said. Don't take no more than one on this and don't miss and them look at something there and whatever, all right? Right? So you find that them man out here take them something there. They may not see certain results down here so where them want. But the thing still impact the rest of them body. And it's the type of thing where sitting on there with blood flow and thing and whatever, it run up your pressure and make all your head, whatever, all kind of things happen and whatever. You understand? And as me I said, them man, they take them pill and them take them pill in a some sitting where a lot of them have all kind of Asian thing right on that. They don't know why I pill them. Right? And them don't know why I pill them and them things are over the counter thing when them just buy at the gas station and all them something there and whatever. No for them pill a slap way man them and things and them may get a look a short term benefit out of it, but in a long term them a kill themselves. I don't know, I rather stay alive with a dead body, than for dead quick with a stiff one. Me no know that sound. Staying alive with a dead body sound more better to me than we go dead quick with a stiff one. I am not opposed to if me I go drop out and go say the Lord. Yeah, I'm one of them idiot man they will say. Me used to say like, more and dead I do it. But after seeing how it traumatized quite a few women who that happened to, right? me stop it. Because I'm a compassionate, caring guy, right? So for the woman them who them something that happened to, and I've known of and heard of quite a few women where man dead pan top of them when them a do it and think. Yeah, one woman in Jamaica, the man dead from heart attack when she give him a backers, The man dead from heart attack when she give him a backers. But she go tell her sister, what Wormwood there? What Wormwood there? What Wormwood High School there? Which parish Wormwood High School there again? Which parish Wormwood High School there? Somebody soon put. Manchester? A Manchester there? It's not Clarendon. I know Clarendon. I will put Clarendon right this. Angie, me nothing. Watch ya. Clarendon, Christiana, Manchester. A Manchester woman with them, man. All right. So this woman, who live near, the thing where it go down near Wormwood High School. Right? So anyway, she give him a backers. And him drop down dead with the backers. She, I tell her sister what happened. And she said, just before him dead, she did poop on him. The sister laugh, she laugh. Got to tell. The sister go tell other relatives, them and whatever. The other relatives go tell what. Then it got spread out there, say is our poop kill him, man. The man shaggy man backers and the way our poop terrible, she poop on the man and the man drop down dead. The other time is have nothing to do with the woman pooping, but you know Jamaican them terrible. You know Jamaican them terrible, so they just stink a road, say, no pun intended, stink a road. Yeah, it stink a road, say, a poop, she poop on him and kill him, man, and whatever. And I know, say that traumatized and whatever, this and that and thing, and like a year through them start tease her about it and whatever. And years and years she never have sex, you know. Well, I don't know what, a long time something, so I would think that she got over it, you know, and whatever. But, you know, Jamaican people are then terrible and whatever, so them just have it say, I poop, she poop, and them poop on the man and make. I'm not excusing her poop, you know. I'm not excusing her poop because that is already established. Ladies, if it's one place you must hold your poop, is when you're giving a man backers. Do not do it. Draw some card and thing, come off and thing. Say you have to run go to the bathroom. Run go to the bathroom and poop. Never you poop on a man when you give him a backers. That is one of the most evil thing you can do. Right? You know, one place where I used to go drink my Guinness and thing and whatever. When I was teaching at the University of the West Indies, there was a coffee shop in New Kingston I used to go. But one man used to have one local shop back at the Digicel store, between the Digicel store and the Western Union. So when it did down this, and thing, links. One time we down on links and whatever. And some man getting a big argument, you know, like almost war about it, you know. What is worse, when a woman poop on her backers or when she poop on when you give her a head? Which one worse? Just write it. Headers or backers? Carcass said upon the board. No, one worse. One of them worse. Which one worse? Headers or backers? Headers. I think that's a no-brainer. Howard Baker said backers. Like, how? Lady P said, I did that to my husband once. He said, I did that. Whoops. Yeah, well, go ahead and say, sorry. Oh. You do that to your husband? Oh, God. Nah, man. I don't know what the debate that is for. No, some always, because I mean, when I never start the debate, I said the worst, so it could have happened is in a backers. And a man jump in and say, no, when you do a head as if a woman poop on you, that worse. And then the next man said, no, backers worse than that because, you know, you don't win and all them. It just obvious to me, say, head as worse than backers if you get a poop on. But so ladies, like, don't do it. Don't do it. I mean, you have to control your bowels, this and well, we know that when some gas are come, they come without warning, right? So much so that some people poop on them frightened themselves, yeah. That happen more with ladies, you know, and thing and whatever. But your Lady P say it just happened. You never mean it. When did I get headers or backers, Lady P? Headers or backers? Lady P, when did I do? You did I give my backers or did I give her headers? Or did I give her swipe? Which one? Oh, Lord. And you poop on him. Are your husband though? That come with it, that him supposed to understand. That come, yeah. When you're married and thing and whatever, those are some of the prices you pay. You know, there are benefits, right? We have a thing in Jamaica. If you love the cow, accept the calf. There's some things where just come with it. And I one of them things there, you understand? So, but I you know, it's the others, you know. So if the man a swipe you, right? Or if you get the man a backers and thing, I think it is incumbent on you ladies that you know. So lady piece of she and her husband laugh about it. Cara 27. Raga, what's a swipe? Welcome to the welcome to the family, Cara. We can see that you're new around here. You know, that's not somebody I gonna tell you in a chat. Don't worry. Huh? Somebody would tell you in a chat. See, Kiese asked me. Yeah, Colin say you're young to the street. Xavier said it's ice cream eating. Yeah, rum and raisin, right? Yeah. All right. And so back to the earlier thing where we are talking about. So one, me never said, you know, a woman can boom off a man and not cause damage on the instrument. Yes, women can do that. Yes, it happens all the time. And from what we hear last night, if it ever happened with any woman, she would be one of the women with that happened to, because she was fairly candid in sharing with us, you know, her mannerisms and how she stay and whatever. The other thing I want to draw about is this whole thing about strongman thing and whatever and whatever. Listen now. Yeah, you have men out there who can manage a strong woman. You have men out there who are used to patriarchal living, you know, male-dominated living, where the man say goes and the woman must do and follow. And thing, you have men out there who would rather be in control, and I'm like when women take control at any time and whatever. Yeah, you do have that. But you have men out there. People, listen. As I explained to you before, I don't subscribe to labels, right? I don't subscribe to labels, but I play with them, right? So like zodiac and month and September, my born and different sign. You hear me? I play with it, but I don't believe that they are, fancy word, deterministic, right? I do not believe that the label, your sign and whatever. I mean, once someone who stand by one thing about the sign them, that's fine. I'm just saying I don't buy into it, right? One of the things that I got older, I understood, particularly in academia, was the whole notion of an alpha male. I don't subscribe to labels, people, but most of them hear about alpha males. Some of them won't necessarily know what the definition of an alpha male is. Less of them hear about beta male and sigma male. Again, I don't subscribe to the labels, them, you know, whatever. I don't subscribe to the labels. But based on what is out there in society, right, about who is an alpha male, who is a sigma male especially, or what, I can't look it up on this, right? I happen to think that based on what them call sigma, I mean that. I'm more desperate than the alpha. The problem is a lot of men, them still subscribe to the alpha. Because based on film definition, the alpha male are the strongest one and the most fearless one and the dominant one, right? Because that's what alpha is, you know, the dominant male, the alpha male. Yeah, the dominant male and whatever this and that. Most men want to be in control. Most men want to run things and whatever. But the other thing about alpha male is that they're aggressive. So alpha male is supposed to be aggressive and assertive and things like that, right? And since me I talk about this, people want to hear about the woman who meet the Jamaican man online, right? Must in 2024 and she and him attack and go down a Jamaica with him last month and him unalive her, must beat her to sickness, carry her in a wheelchair and left her at hospital and she dead. You know hear about it, right? Right? Me say, you know hear about it, right? No, Diva said no. Say a bunch of people that say yes. But basically, one woman meet one man online, Jamaican, and they must say interact or whatever. One thing I talk about her married, me don't know what it. But she go Jamaica, go there with him, go meet him. She did in one Airbnb. According to her sister, it looked like him carry her from the Airbnb. So it looked like she was trying to be safe and stay somewhere about and whatever. Him carry her from the Airbnb and based upon where him carry her, him do her some terrible things. And this man I know is not a stranger to the law. I was talking to a TamFam and I said, no, she here say another first him kill. I don't know. I don't know the full details of it. But you know, they sent something to me. I listen it and thing. But let me see if I have it right here. So let me see if I have it. Take me on the phone. I have it. Yeah. Let me just look real quick. Okay, another. Okay. Oh, that's my sardine when I eat yesterday. Yeah. Oh, I don't see it. I could have sworn I did when it named it, you know. It's not here. Okay. Anyway, and she go Jamaica and the boy go kill her. Boy unalive her. And her family talk about it and all kind of things and whatever, you know. They were married, but she was at the place with another ex. Oh. I saw it go. You still not right? Oh. Well, I don't know. Me no know about the detail. Fabulous inside. Yes, that's how it goes. Oh. I saw the news say. Jojo, her sister was live today and confirmed she was not married. Either way, she did involve with him and she did one Airbnb and the word is him go at the Airbnb and take her away by force and then end up unalive her. He's on the run right now, wanting and thing and whatever. Well, if I saw it going, then it me, you know, then terrible Jamaican man there and I sitting there and whatever. Right? So he said, I shot a youth, you know? And them look weird. All right. I just bring this scene for add some kind of context to what I say about this alpha male thing and whatever, which kind of tie in about the general yesterday who I take all of them something there for perform, right? And, you know, she call him and him now come back and I talked to a TamFam about it last night and she said, the man not go. I said, you don't even understand the psychology of man right this. So, you know, for him mind, him probably I said, boy, I'm lucky me alive right now. You know, look how I go take them pill for pum for prove something for pum. And look how me nearly dead and end up in emergency room and all them something there, whatever. And probably that I go through the G name, the G mind right now, you know. Probably them something there I go through in mind right now, you know, and in a reality, knock him need to be like a Raga thing and whatever. Nothing to prove around here. Right? Raga one pop, one round. And if me not in a mood, you better sit down and turn today. Nobody not run tonight. Right? Man, for us, no say, you can there with that woman who you have that security there, still satisfy her doing on. Because you can't there with the woman and not satisfy her. Right? Yeah, and sometimes when you're in a mood, you have to run it. Because enough time when woman not in a mood, they run it for we. Enough time when woman not in the mood, they run it for we. Now, it kind of harder for we because we have something have to come up here. But yeah, if she can't, when sometimes all the woman say, all right, me help you, come, give me that something there. Give her it, man, and when you're tired too. But if it not dead, it not dead. Tell a woman, say, Bill, you know, go kill off yourself and go take 10 million pill, figure this and that and whatever. We might give a vibe in the short term and then a kill you in the long term. Why? Why? Anyway, getting to this alpha male and this thing, I am willing to bet that that woman at some point did see who she had deal with. Tiny Tat say one pop, Ver name stick. Tiny Tat, you're wrong, you know. Ver, and she give me the name. It's me give me name, me give myself the name. But Ver no let it go. Ver just call me Raga one pop. I love it. But it's me and me come out and tell people, say, I am Raga one pop. Tiny Tat, you forgot? And me come out and give myself a name. And it is important that you understand the significance of that. Right? Men, listen to me. Sometimes when I misunderstand women, you know, men, women love confidence, right? Women love confidence, right? Even when the confidence is such that you know your limitation and you can confidently state it, women love that too, right? Women love confidence. But the confidence is not only when she say, me ready, and you say, come, me ready, and a woman can appreciate that and say, boy, I'm confident here. Anytime I draw a film, the boy ready, you know. Yeah, that's a confidence. But you know what is confidence to when woman love a self-assured man who know himself and know him limitation and thing. Women love them something, the man. Listen to me, trust me. You just have to do it. You have to have that confidence in yourself. When all a woman a draw for you and whatever and thing like that, and you say, listen, sit down and keep yourself quiet, man. And whatever. And I'm saying, I want it now. I say, keep yourself quiet, man. You know, dead right now, Bill. Right? And that woman may turn and say, the Lord, and I make you have your go on. So I told my auntie and thing, I want to make you go on and whatever. But that woman, I see him, woman, they will go back and go tell her friend, say, oh, I'll film him and him. I say, sometimes I want to drape him up and take it in, and if him not want it in him, just put me in my place and tell me, say, it's not happening. Yeah, she love the confidence when you can stand up and know yourself and your limitation. Women love them something they too. Right? Someone want to misinterpret confidence to mean, say, like, say, we have to pressure on yourself and whatever, this and that and thing, and yeah. Right? When a woman, she say you can stand up and resist pressure, right? Where other man I go falter and whatever, she either overtly or covertly admire that because she knows say you're on a press button, right? And she can proud of her man and say, that man there, yeah, peer pressure and foolishness and thing, you know. No girl can't clone him out the road them way they are. And nobody can come in vehicle him for go get in on a foolish. Women love them something there. Right? Women I love man where that look at pressure reach him give in and all them something there and whatever, and you know? Right? So go back to this alpha male thing. So, people, back in the day, let me tell you where the alpha male thing come from. We are the descendants of the alpha male them from back in the day. From way back in the day, right? When humanity were hunter-gatherers. When they run up and down with the dinosaur them and whatever. This you have to be an alpha male, right? When a dinosaur run down by you for near me and whatever, it's not a good idea for at this time to say, okay, T-Rex, I'm a Sigma, I'm not an alpha male. Can we just talk about this like for a second? Like, calm down. No, T-Rex are going to name you. Right? That no work them time there. You have to be bad boy. But you hear the thing, I know. People have a thing where say, a lot of us stay so to, you know, in some way, you know, us stay so to where me did go through it. So don't believe me, I put on a down, because me did go through it. It's like if you're born in a something where it growing, it legitimize you, it validate you, and that is who you are. People have a thing for say, well, I can't let go that because me I gotta betray myself, and me I gotta betray my identity, me I gotta betray my heritage, me I gotta betray my gender and all them something. Me go through it too. That's a theory. What's the facts? My fellow Caribbean people, how many times you know in a position when me a Jamaican and I saw me do it, so that me I go keep on I do Jamaican, or no, I'm Jamaican, I don't do something, I can't do them something there, whatever. You have times when that is legitimate. For example, me tell you, say when me travel all over the world, I realize, oh, Jamaicans are so clean, Caribbean people clean in terms of hygiene. But me grew up around something that say coming like nothing to me. And when me go other place and thing and whatever, I miss the people now wash meat the way we wash meat at Jamaica. Them now wash them clothes the way we wash clothes at Jamaica. Particularly the woman. And when me travel, me I say, what ya? Nothing wrong with that. If you said, no, this is the Jamaican in me and that's how I grew up, right? Right? You get a Jamaican a yard and the yard just a sweep, so. Just a sweep. Just a sweep. When nothing ever sweep, them a sweep. Right? You there around Jamaicans and thing and whatever. Every minute them all go in the kitchen and a wipe down. And can't even walk past the place in peace. Them a wipe down. And them a move something, them a fix something, the thing must sit and whatever. You go in a Caribbean people house and whatever, you look on them dresser, everything is structured, symmetrical, balanced. You know, everything set on position, the perfume buckle in position. It's annoying, right? Right? That is Caribbean people. The thing must, you know, I saw on the time. Right? By the same token, if you live in our area now where our bad area, a man a drive a woman regular, it no sound good or whatever, but you can understand when a woman do some, either consciously or unconsciously, do some cost-benefit analysis and say, no, me really have to go there with a man who can defend me in another place here, you know, right? Security, survival. So you find, say, you can understand why a woman in another position there go say, no, it's an alpha male me want because me need an alpha male to survive. Just like how people who live in other places where be a lion and tiger around them and then sitting there and whatever, they want an alpha male who can, you know, who can protect them and who will fight off a lion and thing. Yeah. I know if a guy step to her and whatever, him can just raise up and say, oh, where you do? Move your bum buckler from a woman, man, and I make me do you something, man. You understand? Yeah. We can understand that. But my issue is a lot of women are still attracted to that type of man there, based on situation one in it, you know. And it don't even have to be violent. It can be just hard life and you have a go-getter man and all them something there. And you put up with some foolishness from him, but because him is a go-getter man and he makes sure certain things take care of, so there is a little cost-benefit balancing that goes on there, whatever. But there's so many of you women and things, you still end up talk to them man there, based on what you used to as a Jamaican. When you no longer need to talk to them, man. Because you're no longer in the extremes. You're not in a jungle fight of T-Rex and dinosaur where you need like an alpha male beside you. Because again, you know, that is where the alpha thing really come from, you know. Like with the wolves, if them look on wolves now and thing and you have some other male wolf in there, then say that is the alpha male. That means that are the baddest wolf and thing. But these are friggin' wolves. A wolf them. Uno are no wolf. Uno are no lion. We don't live amongst dinosaurs. So no found who still attracted to the alpha male something there. And thing. When I really think about on thing, man, and whatever, I want to there on a guy, you know, where one may feel say, Whether on a conscious side or weird right, on there on a guy and say, them type of man I like rough man, I like this and that. But if the man look like him and want to look a mad side to him, take time, go away from him and whatever. Think about your survival and thing. Because you don't need him for fight off no wolf and a lion and then sitting there right now. You're not living in a era where, no found on living in a certain era where you know, as soon as you go a road, you have to look for see who me draw in a one alley and all them something there. You see what I say? So be careful of this thing where we unconsciously invoke to say we have to stay with what we used to. Remember what I teach you now. All feelings are learned. All non-biological feelings are learned. All non-biological feelings are learned. They are learned. They are not inherent, right? They are learned. The problem with human beings is when we feel things, we ascribe valid and invalid to our feelings, right? To all our feelings, when such is not the case. With some of them things that, yeah, me we do that. You know, when it comes to children, me have a feeling, I know it's learned, but it's just like kids is a different game, you know, picnic, different, you know, you get it. But when I say outside of that now, someone don't know where I want to feel. So if I'm the thing feel wrong, I not say, no, I can't deal with that. No, that, you know, and I me that and whatever. Without understanding that when you're used to something bad, dysfunctionality feel right. Right? Dysfunctionality can feel right. It can feel safe. Right? When you're used to something bad, that can feel safe as opposed to venture out in something different. And people, we love Jamaica, we love the Caribbean and thing. But listen to me, man. Right now, the way of the world, if you meet somebody who care about you, I tell you the truth, me know me can't. You never deal with a Jamaican or Caribbean, but I just summertime, right? But that's me, and that's some other people. That's how we do. But people, if you meet somebody out there who treat you no good, and now you have a connection, because at the end of the day, you know, we're different, yeah, but we're all a human being. I have a connection and a person there. I'm fly, I mean, I don't know where I talk about. Yeah, right, I have the connection there. Right, I know people not care about how hear what people are saying. You know. If it worked for you, it worked for you. If the man not come from your country, I not come from your race too. But I mean, don't fool yourself about where you get in. You understand particular where you live. But me I say, nobody be careful on a stay to what you used to because it feels right even in the face of dysfunctionality. Because enough time I say woman out there right now, them like, all right, put it this way, you have woman who like bad man, you know, you have woman who like gunman, you know. And know where them are get in. When the man backs them down and kick them down and gunboat them and thing, them know it, them expect it. This may sound cool. Knock yourself out. Because them know where them are getting, right? Them make anybody from ghetto tell you, you know what. When they hear some of them women they would gunman talk and whatever, and them a laugh about the beating where the man a beat them and sitting there. So them know where them are going. And I say, me say, after I come in, you know, I'm going to look on the boy and thing and whatever. The boy shot me 2 bucks, you know. I say, Blinky. I say, I saw him steer, man. I saw him steer. Right? If you hear them attack. Is it madness? Yeah, it's a form of madness. Especially when them talk about all him Me can't look for nobody, you know, him love me, see? Him love me going to bed. Me ever look for somebody, one kick in my throat. No, him ignorant, bad for me. I saw them talk. But them know what them are getting, you know? And to some degree, them like it. Right? And that's something I grew up around, so I tell you, as soon as look Ray, them run gun, police are come, give me a gun, and them put it in them drawers and all them something. Them, some of them, he say, them like it. Oh, and when the police them come and them raid it, when them raid over Palace, well, Palace, we did a Palace theater down the south. And them raid Palace and thing, me I tell you, 3 gun, you know. Me never know why, me never wear me being good drawers and think I could have hold more gun, but I told my job, I look at the I saw me here, woman attack, them know where them are getting, them love for go jail for them, man. When them a cook and I go jail and I bring the food, go give them man a jail. Oh, no, them have to bring him food, go give him in a car. Oh, Ray. Them used to that something with it, right? Me have a friend who stay so still and whatever, and I feel them thing that. All right. The woman who no used to that something there and thing, but who like alpha male, but who want the alpha male, and who see certain thing and whatever, but who can't manage the other side will come with it. When I was a lecturer at the University of the West Indies, it came up all the time. Because you have these men in Jamaica, them love when they with women who they in a college, you see, and it's a badge of honor for them, you know. Gunman, you know, bad man, you know. Them love women in a college. If they see them, they are teachers college. If them, they are UE. If them, they are CAS. If them, they are a UTech. If them, CAS, you know, you can't know my age, you know, about CAS. UTech. If them, they are Northern Caribbean University, you have some man, oh, I'm going to chat to them idiot girl, you know, university girl, me there with, you know, my girl at university, you know, right, man. And so it is that them have, you know, Jamaican man, they want sweet mouth. So them always love for a draft for the US student, them, you know. And then now when the US student said, no, he's so strong. He's just so masculine. He just have this edge to him or whatever, this and that. Until the first box connect. And I'm like, oh my God, what are you doing? You know, whatever, this and that. When me I says, if you love the cow, accept the calf. Somehow, no need them so-called, no need man as alpha. No, mark you know. Me not go with labels, you know, but as me I tell you know, what them call Sigma out there, that's me. I don't want to be what society call an alpha right now. But as a Sigma man right now, there are times when you may have an alpha. If you follow me. Right? If me lay down in the bed with my woman or my picnic them or whatever and say we lay down in a bed and we easy and so. And nice and make down there. So she a stay right there, so you know. And me I go down there. Me no want she go down there and me I go check it out. Right? Now that is where alpha man would do. But that not something I say, you know, fi have them expectations from a man who you talk to. But at the same time, now, me I one of them man, you know, you will reel up and say one bag of disrespect to me and whatever. Me, if you go back to you down and go kick you down and go be like, hey, Gyal, over. Not me. Not happening. Not only that, I've talked to women who, them start them foolishness, and I just look upon them and I say, obviously, you don't know who you're dealing with and you're not ready to talk to me. So when you're ready to talk to me, me will talk. And me I walk, fight me, I'm tired of you, I walk away. Every minute me I chat to you and walk, fight me. And you still not draw me out because I'm not fighting you. You understand? Right? I'm not there with you for me. I'm not fight. Listen to me, man. I idiot man a box down woman nowadays. They with woman and you have to box them down to keep them in line. A fool people. Una idiot. Right? A fool man have to do that. Right? Them man they a lower level man them. Me's a higher order man. And if you can't function from my level of maturity as a woman and whatever, your pum could have fat and tight, look more, your body could have round up, your waist could have this and that, look more, you could have pretty, look more, you could have this and that. Go away from you, so. Cause you're idiot. You're pretty dunce. Right? You're a fool, you don't deserve me. Right? Yeah, that arrogant don't. You don't deserve me. If I say you have a function and thing like, you don't deserve me. I may have no problem telling a woman that. You understand what I mean? Go about your business and whatever. You not drive me on. Right? And worse if you go come with them sitting there now, we're kind, I say alpha male, but you have some woman them. You know no man. You know no man and whatever, this and that and because you idiot man. Look, me tell you and this and that and you just stay there and whatever. Say what you want to say. You understand? Right? And 1 and 2 and them and whatever call me back years later, John, no man, I'm there with the name. I need to take a page out of here, but I say you're rich, you don't. You remember you did that style me up and think, yeah, I'm very. School me, I school them, right? So ladies, what me I say is, yeah, you have time when man for be man and alpha up. Yeah. But no for no nobody make them fool on buying this alpha male thing, so no one a man who just aggressive and assertive and thing like that because and then you start condition yourself now to feelings where that is the norm and it feels good and you're validated when you have it and thing like that. And then, it might end up a kill you. Man end up unalive you. Man end up abuse you. Because you get used to the dysfunctionality. Right? You don't need to. So if you see a man and move like that, and whatever, you can ease him off a little bit, man, because your safety and your security, that really matter, right? And you have a choice, enough time for you to stay in or something like that or let it go. Right? And to the man who are ascribed to all these conventions out there with society, so on the need for be real alpha male and all of them or something. Somehow you need to examine these things, pay attention to them and just ask yourself, is it in my best interest to ascribe to this, to follow this, to be, Nikki?
Hi, Raga.
You
Can you hear me properly?
Yeah, man, I hear you properly. Where you get new phone?
No.
Your phone sound
My earphone is in.
Your phone sound new, though.
No, same old, Raga. Same old. So, Raga,
yeah.
In my earlier days, maybe like in my teens, like 19,
yeah,
about 25, I used to do, I was a cosmetologist.
Yeah.
So, I don't know what is it about a salon that every time a lady sit down in a salon chair, she does tell her business. I don't know why she feels so comfortable with the hairdresser.
Comfortable, man. Hairdresser, man, yeah.
Yeah.
Barber too.
So yeah, this particular girl, like nice brownie, nice girl.
Yeah.
And she come do her hair. Mm-hmm. But we realized that in the middle of her head, she had like a big bald patch. Okay. So I wonder why her head middle why she have this big bald patch. So she proceeded to tell us that she was a bad man.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So but the man was like one of them drug dealer there. Drug dealer.
See.
So she and the man go dance. So them man they have all of her girls.
Mm-hmm. So
she and the man go dance. And like the man walk away. And she see the man attack to her next girl. So she say them a move too close and thing.
Mm-hmm.
So she do nothing but Raga but go over to go create one piece of excitement on the man and reel up and say who the man and who the girl and where them way there. So she a go on. Mm-hmm. Raga, she said the man grab her and her head tap, you see Raga. And when the man grab her and her head tap, so she end up pull out the whole of the hair out her head right there. So
God, how painful that must have been.
Yeah, pull it out. I mean, scalp, everything, hair follicles, everything came out. So she end up with that. She end up going to the hospital. You know?
Whoa,
Did she
whoa.
leave the man? Absolutely not. She did not leave him.
No, no.
Oh, she end up leaving that man. That man died. You know, the whole drug thing go on. Them take him out and thing. And so she and the man end up left Raga.
Oh.
So them really most part them time they're Walton Park Road. Me frequent pan Walton Park Road, so it's Walton Park Road. You understand them girl in the ghetto Painland surroundings, all them something them girl they them love them bad man.
Oh, okay.
So and as me say, if you saw this girl, you would have said that no man, that girl and all them things. I'm say nice, clean skin girl, Raga, hot girl.
Yeah. But,
Well spoken and everything.
but what I'm saying, you know, again, you know, me, I don't have any problem with women who like that, but know exactly what it is, and then decide say them are going night and stay night. Because you know enough I get a woman, them know it, and them will tell you, so no, that me like that something.
Yep.
I like that
They
something.
love it. They love it.
How
They
many
love
times
it.
you see them I interview them woman on social media and them say, we'd rather they with a man who love only you and whatever this and that, you know, but you know, him just make like $100,000 a year and thing, but I just you alone him love and thing like that. Or a drug dealer have a whole heap of woman and thing and whatever, and we be. You never see them interview them and what?
The drug dealer.
And I'm the drug dealer. Give me the money and the lifestyle and they know what they're getting into, right? And them know how to juggle with that. If the woman them know when I say, oh, you know, I just want them to be aware that this strong man thing, when no one probably used to, for example, one probably not there anymore. Right? You probably not need a man for out there fire gun for whatever and all them something there. So, but at that you probably did in before or even if I not fire gun, but just war for walk with a machete or have the aggression there where you can feel secure with based on the environment where you're in or where you got one them something there. All right? But now if you don't need that and thing, love out them man, because them man they you know, some people don't like when you say this and thing. Not for them man, they may can give you money, you know, but then hold you back in so many other ways, you know. They may even stunted your development for you grow emotionally and things like that.
Yeah, and then you live in fear too, because sometimes if them can't catch them, they might come catch you. So it's more than one factors.
All of that too, right?
So what? Because me a coward them way them in a depend that. Give me my soft men, my sigma males.
That's right.
Me no want an alpha male.
A sigma around the place. A sigma around the place, man. All right. Now say, how you cook? How you prepare then? How you cook?
You know what's that chicken me a chop up, Raga? Stewart chicken. Stewart chicken. So me a chop up. Me a prep for tomorrow, so me a cut up one whole heap of chicken.
You listen to me. I don't know if I'm going to go meet you when we come to Jamaica with a group trip, you know, but at some point, I not hide and talk.
Raga, you mean you don't know if you're going to meet me?
We have to come over your side and I want you cook food for me. And I just want you know, so I'm not somebody who walk around and licky and enka food. But my spirit says, if I drop an EKB or something and make we cook run a boat. As long as the gentleman have nothing against you know, just tell him say
remember what I say, remember what I say, Raga, I not depend the alpha male. What kind of male? I depend that.
Good, as long as the bar school
so I have a good understanding.
Alright, then it goes someone.
I'm good man, Raga, I not there with that.
Thank you. Alright then good. Well me have to ask you know some man and hey, you have enough man like me, you know. Enough man like me, you know.
That's true. And I don't know why. It's so stupid.
No, yeah, man. It's either, you see, when a woman listen me every day and just not miss me show, the man them either just say, yo, see a man, they go talk to your man, go listen to your man. Or, I don't know why you listen to that idiot man every day, you know. I waste time I listen to that idiot. It's always either either.
Raga, if him come home and see me now listen, say you're not listening to Raga today. Him say, walk on and not listen to Raga.
See it there. Go so, man. All right, now worry yourself, man. We have to drop on the bass, man. All right?
Yes, right. Raga.
Yeah,
and
man.
the lady yesterday.
Yes.
Lady yesterday. Boy, Raga, if I'm other man, them would run to. I swear.
Why you say that?
Raga, Raga, then you know what? If I was a man, I would be scared. Then she started to list all of the things them she grew. I mean, not say nothing about her here, but when she said she more muscular, ain't no bad. No man no want that raga. No man no
Yeah.
want a muscular energy.
Yeah.
They want femininity. They don't want no. She not like lingerie and all them things. I'm like what? So at one point I was saying that if she's sure she don't want to swim in the lady pond because she more give me a butch vibes. She said she not into it doing about.
Right. No. You do have ladies who seem to approximate what we would refer to as masculine qualities and things. And they're not gay. And them not gay and whatever. And them struggle because, you know,
Yeah.
men know in general not like that. But you have man who like that, you know. You know, say you have man
Man
who
like the
like
rough woman them.
yeah, man. Yeah, man who like that something, man.
I would make money rather.
They're not as many as the men who prefer feminine women, but you have man who into that something. Them. And very often you find them a country. I mean, these country people, not my that. In the instances when I know a man like them, something there, a country. You know? Yeah, but no.
Wish her good luck, rather. May I try set on Craig Tongue and Big Bear. May I tell Craig Tongue and Big Bear so they must show them like.
Well, no, but you know, me like
So
both
she like the teddy bears. So.
No, you know, me like both her though. No, she never said teddy bear. She said over 200 pounds.
And those are what we consider to be teddy bears.
No. No, you
Well,
see, you
anything
think like
200 pounds over for me, a teddy
you
bear.
think like a petite woman, right? You think like a petite woman, you know.
Maybe.
If a man,
Maybe.
200 pounds, I don't know big fat, I don't big teddy bear person that 200 pounds.
Well, Raga, I wish her all the best because that age group and that stamina that she has,
Yeah. When
I
my
wish her
girl
good
say,
luck on that one. She needs
me
to change
sit
the
down, pan
age
it
group.
and hold him 2 batty jam, pull him up in a
Oh my God,
Yeah.
Raga was dead in. Me literally are dead. I was rolling.
I tell you, man. I tell her, I say, me could have managed you. You're not my type.
But I run to Raga. Good evening, laddie girl. But I run to Raga. God
Yeah.
no. But I run to.
I like
It
woman
rough,
who
it rough.
feminine. Me
It
no
rough.
want
It
woman-
intimidate the man.
Yeah.
Yeah. She intimidate him, Raga. Tell the man have a charge up for take on the thing.
Yeah. And you see the man I try, it's like him I try elevate him thing to a certain standard where she did. It's like him I would
Yeah,
be
because
surprised.
remember,
Go on.
so she said him never come, you know. She said never come. So
But-
that contributed to the blue balls as well.
Right, no, but just so you know, that way, if you take the pill or even stone, you can't do it too much where you don't come. Or boom. Right? Boom, stone, or the pill if you take too much of it, you don't come. That is that happen. And I feel say that reach him and go take too much in preparation for her and thing and go OD. You understand?
Oh God, you intimidate him. Sorry for him, Raga. Sorry for him.
You know, see dog Lego and say, yo, no knowings again, you know, because it look like me nearly drop out in an emergency room and things. So yeah, you hear me? Lego mens, you know?
I shall not return.
Yeah, dog say.
And Craig Tongue asked how they sort out before how they sort out, but you wasn't reading. So you want to know how the sort out was good.
Him never enjoyed that.
Because she never said the sort out was good, yes or no? No, for her. For her.
Oh.
It was good for her.
No,
But she didn't. She didn't. We didn't
never
ask
really,
her.
but me never really go in there. But respectfully though, there's a lot more going on with she mentally where you go on more and more would have come out, you know. It's when I talk to her all the things that might come out later on and thing in a conversation and thing, you know. And things. Anyway, big up yourself, you know. Go and cook that chicken there, you know.
Yes, Raga.
Send a picture.
No,
for
tomorrow
me.
to cook.
Yeah, tomorrow it a cook.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, but I say send a picture of it and make me just go and, you know, dream about the chicken and sitting. All right. Say a word, man. Big up yourself here. And blessings to your family.
All right, good night, everyone. Yes, Raga, bye. Bye, TamFam.
Another thing, with someone who jump on, and again, me not play hypocrite because the way she said it carried me in one space to and me start envision it that way. That when she brought up the thing about the beard, right? Because she said, I have beard. I think the way she said it, we think that she have beard, you know? Where I know most so it go, right? Respectfully, Carla, wait 1 second. Turn off the thing in our background there, yeah? Carla. Oh, yeah.
Hello?
Yes, turn off 1 second. I'm coming to you. Yeah. So when I say people, I just want to remind some of you who already know this, that even though the way she say it, it kind of stimulate her image, like she have beard and she comfortable with her beard and whatever. She could actually be saying, Miss, turn off the thing in her background now.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm coming to you.
Hey, Raga.
Yes, I'm coming to you. Just listen, I'm coming to you. Yeah, so what I say is, you know, you have quite a few women out there, them struggle with look here down here, what she could have called beard, right? Yes, you have some women with a lot of hair. Most women don't. So for those of you who hear, she say, yes, I have beard. I want to think like beard. I don't think it's a lot of beard. I think that was her way of saying, yeah, I may have hair down under my chin and when I deal with. A lot of women, feminine women, you know, deal with that or struggle with that and thing. And them do what them have to do to remove it and make sure it's not dead and whatever. So I think myself included, just the initial utterance from her kind of stimulated a thing like, we have beard the way she say it, because she have this kind of nonchalant, comfortable way of just saying something that make you think like, oh, it's not a big deal. I have beard, you know. But I don't think it's beard, you know. I don't think it's like a lot of hair, you know. But that's just my interpretation of it. Good evening, Carla. What's up?
Hi, Raga.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
It's me again.
What?
I called you last night.
Oh, I didn't. Are you me there talk about?
Yeah, man, hear you. Man, hear you.
Well, on.
The man come back. He call me. Me have a recording when we talk today. And he say, boy, I enjoy it. Boy, you're really a gangster. And he might come back. So you know this me. He no run, him coming back. Yeah?
Him coming back. Oh, Clark. Yes, man. Yes. No. Well, we're getting him
coming back. He say one of the best he never get. But him coming back, he no less. Him coming back this weekend again.
So when him say one of the best jukings him ever get, no?
Yeah, him coming back this weekend because when I was talking to him on video and him said, boy, my thing turn up again, you know. I'm ready for you again, girl. You know you're good. Yeah. But the best him ever get ever. And he said, boy, you're rough, you know, but you know, I'm not used to the roughness, but him enjoy it.
But a couple people said them did have some questions.
He's not rough. They can talk to me. They can ask what they want to ask me. They can answer.
Yeah, no, them did want to know if you did enjoy it. That's the first one.
Of course. Okay. I come multiple times because I never have sex for 4 years. And he tell me saying never him about the same time too. So it's not if it was lying or not, it's not my fault.
Okay.
That he couldn't handle it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he told me that he wasn't in a relationship for 4 years just like me.
Oh.
Both of us divorced at the same time and he wasn't in a relationship. So he feel like he could handle it.
Oh, okay.
So it's not like him around him. It's just like him say, boy, me just try to what you call it? Him just try to, process what happened.
Right.
That's why he didn't want to talk to me, but he's ready to talk now and stuff. And he said, boy, you enjoy it, boy, you handle your thing. And he said, boy, you never get the full marks.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah, somebody else did I say, your description of him, she said it sounds very much like our brother-in-law, right? So she did want to ask you if him did cause her sister named Munchi, right?
Yeah.
So she did ask me if him ever tell her say him did there with one woman named Munchi.
No, it's not that. He was married.
Yeah,
okay. He was married and he's not.
I could have been Munchi him there with then, right?
don't know.
Oh.
He was married. He was married and he got divorced, just like me. Both of us are
Okay.
divorcees.
So it could be Munchie, it couldn't be Munchie, but it's possible and things. But anyway, and so I'm saying I come back this weekend.
Yeah, he coming back this weekend.
You think it would be appropriate to say, to give him a look at talk and say, it look like he did take a look at thing, and why say,
He's still denying it.
listen.
He's still denying it. Yeah, he's still denying it.
What you mean still denying? You did ask him about it?
Yeah, and he's still denying it.
What you ask him, say?
I asked him, I said, it seems like you take something, because only a person that takes something that, deal with that situation that happened. He said, no, he never take anything, because me do it. He's still blaming me. Still blaming me. He's still not acknowledge it. He's not own up to it.
What you think about that then? What you think about that?
I think he took something, because there's no way what happened could happen without him take something.
All right, but if him come back now, you see him in a similar issues and thing or whatever, you think that it would be incumbent on you if you say no, him now go tell me, but it look like him take something, so I'm not go do it with him. Would you like not do it with him for that?
Well, you know what happened? I already made some rules that it's not gonna happen at my place, either his place or a hotel. Not at my place anymore. So
what that mean? What that mean? If you want to drop out,
anything.
you don't want him drop out at your place.
Right. Because he keep denying it. He doesn't. He keep denying it, and if he did 30, I guess he's gonna try it again. So I don't want him to try it again. Anything happen like that anymore, or
Yeah,
it could
and
be worse.
it's not unusual for men to lie about those things, you know.
He keep lying about it. He keep lying. He doesn't. He just keep telling me that I am the one. I'm gonna send the voicemail, because when I was talking to him, I recorded it.
So what I'm saying,
I'm gonna send it to you so you can listen for yourself.
All right then, send it to me. So what may I say is, say you go to the hotel, right? And say him go take it early, and you see him come in and it stand up and it a tear off him pants, and say, see it there? Him don't ever come in here yet and him would a tear off him pants. Him obviously take something. Do you have it in you if you say, we're not going to do nothing because you take something and I don't want to hurt you?
Well, if I something going to hurt him, I'm not going to do it, but if he want to do it, fine with me.
So if him still want
to... And I ask him if he can handle it. I say if he can handle it, but I'm going to keep an eye on him. If I see certain things, I know how to get him medical help.
So while you do it, you got to keep an eye on him to make sure, say, you know.
Yeah. Make sure something will happen. Yeah.
All right, so here we are going, I know. So this weekend, I know, I could talk about how you have a plan for this weekend and thing. What you going to do?
I'm not going to let him come over this weekend.
Let's man, me talk to you, man. Hi. Hear what I say, man.
Yeah.
Hear what I say. What you want to try something new this weekend with him, like bounce it different?
Well, it's not going to be this weekend. Maybe next weekend. But it's not going to be this weekend. You need a break. You need time to build.
No,
you know
all right,
I mean?
know, but when I say, for example, have you ever worn a thong?
If what?
Have you ever worn a thong?
If I ever worn a thong?
Yeah.
I have them, but I don't like to wear them.
Why not like when the string go up in your butt?
No, I don't like to wear it. I don't like to wear it.
Do you have lace underwear, like lingerie?
No, I don't like them. I wear shorts, the short shorts. You know, the lingerie will have the shorts and the little spaghetti strap. I like to wear those.
Oh yeah, those are nice.
And the short night, you know, the short nighty, where you wear the
describe the short nighty. How that go? Or the short nighty.
The short one, you know, the little short nighty where you have on the little...
I know, but you have to describe it for me. Is it lace? Is it cotton?
Lace.
It's what? What is it?
That one doesn't have lace on it. Like silk, like the satin ones.
The satin ones, those are nice. What color?
I like purple and I like white.
Those are nice. Those are nice colors, solid colors and things. Men like
I
those.
and I'm not a terrible person. I'm not that terrible. I was in the last relationship I was in last for 10 years, and I have one I was into for 30 years.
So
So it's not like I am a terrible person.
hold on. So this short outfit where you have on is like full 90, or is it like a top and a look of shorts? Or what
The
kind?
top and the short. The top, you know, those short.
Yeah, man, we know them, man, and some of them cut
yeah,
kind
with
of
a
that.
little spaghetti strap, something with a little bow on the front.
Man, I
and
know
all that.
you. I would have said in Jamaica back in, I know you come. Well, given what we're talking about, you know, come yet. But anyway, so when you put on them, then sit on your bottom good on them something that thing, and you sit down the fat and thing, it look nice. It cut or it hang loose by you. Wait.
It you know them fit loose, so you can see everything, and so you know, and stuff like that.
All right. So when me ask, but you're not into stilettos and heels, huh? You're not into them something, you know?
I wear heels, but it's not something that I love to wear. But I have, you want to tell you, I have heels, but I hardly wear them.
All right.
Me the sneakers first. I like to wear sneakers. And I like to, you know, those shoes, like the ankle shoes, the shoes that catch at the ankle, like the, what do you call them shoes? Those, they almost look like men's shoes.
All right.
You
no. All right. Well, on.
But Timberland and those things.
Timberland?
Mm-hmm. The ankle, at your ankle.
No,
one.
yeah,
I like ankle shoes.
what I say, if you're going to look sexy and whatever, well, bedroom sexy, because I see women wear Timbs and look fine as hell. But bedroom sexy, lower to Timberland, them here and the sneaker. But listen to me.
No, I mean like when I'm going out. I don't mean like
when you go out, man. But we in our bedroom now. Where you going back outside from? Me ain't in our bedroom now. We are reason. When me I say no, because we are plan this thing, you know. We are plan this thing, because this when you run it on him again, you mash up him head and you go show him some. So you think diverse. So when me I say, you know if you do them look at something they like turn around and bend over and look through your leg and pat your pum and call him.
Yeah.
You do them something.
I know all those things. Of course I know all those things.
You know it, but you do it?
Yeah, I do all those things. I know.
Like what?
Like what? I like to entertain my man, like dance for him and
you
all
dance
those things.
him nice and thing. But but tell me like what you do. You like bend over and make him see the whole of the 10 pound of fluff. And you ever do them something there?
Yeah.
You ever call him and tell him to touch it, and when him a touch it, you back so him and say you're not ready. You ever do them look at something there?
Yeah, of course.
You know if you do them something there, I'm do it flirtatiously and playfully and girly.
I know how to flirt, of course. Yes, I know.
You know if you talk to him in like one sexy voice and thing and whatever, and then sitting there, you know if you do them something there?
Of course I know. And I'm not a terrible person. I'm not a man. I'm not a terrible, like, you know what they say that I'm terrible and boy, me would let my man see. No, I'm a nice person.
No, like
I am a very nice person.
No,
when it comes to man and
but
stuff.
like say you tell him something flirtatious, like something where you what you would have say. Come on, want it shot, you know, I want the boy fall in love with you, you know. But say you call him in, you know, and you flirt with him, like what you would have say.
I would say, baby, I have something. Come over. I have something for you. Something nice for you and whatever. You know. You know, stuff like that. But
no, spice up that look of me. Act like me and him and you talk to me now. That like right. Act like me and him and you talk to me now. You flirt with me now. And you want to pique up my interest to come over there and spank it on your chun chun and hold it and squeeze it and say, you know, long you there and mash up my head with this and one. Say something flirtatious to me now.
Let me see.
Yeah.
I'll say, baby, I have a big surprise for you.
Mm-hmm.
Something nice.
No, you have to fix up that look a bit more. Put some more something upon that. Nice up that some more. Come with something else. Come with something else. Come. Say, no, you can't say ragga. Just act like you can give me some. You want to give me some and whatever. You flirt with me now and whatever. Auntie. All right.
What, brother?
Hold on. Listen to
You know,
me.
so I never
Hold on.
have to flirt with none of my man them
You
still, you
see
know.
it,
Trust me,
that
I
me
never
I
have to
talk
flirt.
about, you know.
I never have to flirt.
You know. That me I talk about, you know. What you mean? You
No,
never
I tell you, I never have to flirt with them. As long as they look for me, them something stand up. And I never have to flirt.
No,
I never have to
you
flirt
miss.
or call them.
No, you
Anyway them look at me,
hold
they
on, no.
always ready.
Sweetie, you're missing the point. It's not about what you have to do. We not talk about what you have to do and whatever, you know. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So like call me one, you know, so me and a deal and one look at thing and whatever, no. I'm say to you now, for example, where you weird now?
So what me wear now?
Yeah,
me have on a short tights, a short tights.
Short tights and thing. What short? Oh, wait, reach you.
Right, like how many people like way up on me hip.
Right,
You know,
at your
come
hip.
in
And what
and
kind of
just
top you have on? What kind of top you have on?
me just have on a spaghetti strap blouse.
A spaghetti
Yeah.
strap, bro. What kind of color?
A black. Both of them are black.
Both of them are black and thing and whatever. You have on, bro?
Yes, I have on, bro.
All
So
right.
they just come in off the road and, you know, me just decide to me, you know.
All right,
make
just do me
some
a favor.
tea
Just
and
do me
things.
a favor. Just take your other hand and just slightly just box your left nipple.
So, Raga, you're crazy.
You see what you
No.
you see what you just do a while ago? You see what you just do a while ago? You hear what you just you hear what you respond? So Raga, you crazy. And that man do. I saw man have lyrics and him out and you see you so crazy. You see what you just do. I saw the thing said. I saw you if you do him now, right? Right? And so what I know. So if me tell you say, all right, you want to go on right now, I want you rub your inner thighs with your hand. You wanna do that for me?
No.
Why?
Oh, Raga.
Why?
So I'm telling you no, Raga. I'm not that
Mhm.
I'm not that terrible person. I'm not
No,
terrible.
you keep on
you
I
know?
say terribly, you know, and that is indicative
Yeah.
of certain things or whatever, you know. We not say you're terrible. We just we want you kind of, you see that edge the way you have that kind of, you know, that's something the way you have. We just want you mix it up a little bit, man, and balance it out so him not feel that pressure.
I wasn't pressuring him. It's just like he decided to give me let me go on top and take charge, and that's what happened.
No, you're not listening. You know, me say him feel. You don't know how man think. You know, your natural is such that some man may get intimidated about it. You're not set out for pressure him. I just so me just want you to be aware of the impact of how you flow.
Well, we talked nice today. Yeah, we
All
talked nice and
All
everything
right,
goes.
talk nice today and thing.
Yeah, he said, boy, I'm gonna send. I'm gonna send. I did record the conversation, and I'm gonna send it to you so you can listen the way he talk. But he said, boy, that thing really good and stuff. Yeah, you hear is what him saying in the conversation. Because I recorded when I was talking to him.
Even if you're not eating in that time, me ask you a favor. Just slap your right knee. Just go so back make me hear it in my phone. You slap your right knee.
My right knee?
Yeah, just slap your right knee.
Yes, yeah.
Eh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on. You hear them little chuckles that way you make a while ago?
Mm-hmm.
You remember when you slap your knee a while ago, you have an ear seed? Man love them something there, you know. Man love them something there. Man love them something there, right? I teach you a thing, you know. Man love them something there. You see what you don't answer. Slap my knee for one way you want me slap me, and then when you slap it, you're chuckling. Man love them sitting there. Them sitting there. Them
no, what
happened
now? What happened now when like we video chat all the time? So when we video chat now, like we in the bathroom, you know, my birthday suit and thing now.
Yeah.
In the bathroom, so me no have nothing. So you know, like me that show him my birthday man, you know, that kind of thing. So like those things.
Nice.
Yeah.
I give my little prips at the golden one queer. Don't have to go up in that.
Yeah, we do that. Yeah, we do that. I do that with him all the time. Yes, I did it with him all the time. Yeah.
I like it. Yeah.
And then you can see the nipples them and stuff. Because me have my nipples, I have big nipples. So he like to look at those. He like the big nipples. Yeah.
Go you. Look at you.
Yeah,
It's
so
so
I'm
bad.
always showing them, hold them
Nice.
in the mirror, push them
Yeah.
up on in
Tease
seat,
him,
and
man.
them
Tease
kind
him.
of things. The
Give him
teeth,
a
yeah,
little
that's what we
glimpse too.
do.
Just make him say, look, yeah, look here, boom, I move it to him, make him say, put it back now, put it back
And
now, put
then
it back now, and then you say, you're too
and then
bad.
sometimes when I did that, he said, "I'm coming over," like
That's right.
just come
Yeah,
and
man.
just come over.
Yeah,
Yeah, and just come over, and then I didn't believe him, and then he said, I'm at the door, open the door," and then I said, "You really out there?" He said, "Of course," and
see,
I would open and let him in and stuff.
there's something I want to share with you. That there was this friend of mine and whatever, me did a talk to her last night, and she said, you are one good man, and you see him, and you she ever know that man, they should have she named Tony Fox. She should have take away your man from you and thing and whatever. She said, you have
The
good man, and I run with the man. Tony Fox.
Me no run. I don't run with the man. I don't run him way.
No,
Him
but,
no
but,
run.
but,
Him
but
no
what you
gone.
think about Tony Fox? I thought about should have grind with your man from him.
She can't grind him way because the man love when him get. Raga, me go send the voice note come give you when him a talk to me today. When him say, let me see if me can play it. Him say you have a good thing there. Him not gonna waste. My man not gonna waste. My man.
Tony Fox in I chat, she run come in I chat, she must hear what me I say and whatever.
My man can't. Him not left. Him not gonna nowhere.
Tony Fox can't grind him from you.
Right.
Tony Fox can't grind with your man from you.
Nope. No man can grind my man from him. He can do everything.
She the right there in the TikTok chat. She named Tony Fox, ToniFox and whatever. So she can grind with the man from me with her outside and breaks.
No. Anything what she can do, I can do it better.
Well, tell her. She in her chat. Tell her.
Anything what you can do, Tony Fox. Anything what you can do, I can do it better. Better than better.
Yeah, the toughest.
Me can do hardcore. Me can do slow everything. Yeah, so it's just like he get some hardcore and he couldn't handle it.
Oh no, but 25.
You know, so me no hardcore all the time. It's not hardcore. Rather, don't sometimes you like hardcore, and sometimes you like just easy.
Yeah, sometimes
right?
It's a mix up.
All of us like that. Who don't like hardcore sometimes? Not all the time, you know. Sometimes.
Man, nah lie, you doing a word is that 20 Fox head game good doing, you know, so she may beat you this, so you know.
He can't beat me with nothing.
With
nothing at all.
With head game?
Head game, he can do everything.
Oh, okay.
What are you talking about? He can do the head game too. Everything.
No, I'm just tell you, 20 Fox head as like word is our head as bad. So she could have like swipe him more from you.
Me can swipe too. We can do everything.
Oh, you're good pan it?
Okay.
You're good pan it?
Everything. Me know everything, yeah?
Okay.
Everything.
Okay.
So, them thing, no for them, I say, boy, them can heat to your man Friday. Heat for what?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
He not go nowhere. He not come back.
Okay.
He not go nowhere. He say one of the best he ever get. He not come back, man. Because
I love that confidence. I love that confidence I do. So yeah, I tell you.
Him have him clothes them still there. Everything him still there. Him have food in groceries in my fridge, everything. He not gonna win to come.
You see it there.
It's just like that happened, man. Him kind of feel away and him just want to go clear him and come back. He soon come back.
20 Fox, move from your son, go away. The man have him food in our lady. Him have him salt mackerel in our fridge. A man never come at your house yet and left salt mackerel in your fridge. No.
Him have him towel.
What kind of food? What kind of food him have in your fridge then? Wait, 20 Fox. What kind of food him have in your fridge?
Him have him tray a egg. Him have everything. Him have him everything.
20 Fox, the man never come at your yard, come at your yard and left a dozen egg in your fridge. Yeah.
He have him towel, him have him rag, him have him toothbrush,
toothbrush and thing and everything and whatever. Yeah,
him have all that stuff.
Yeah, some of them are hype about the man and the man never left toothbrush in the yard.
If he never come back, he wouldn't leave them. He would bring everything with him when he leave.
See there?
He say leave them.
20
Fox. Come back. It's just like he gonna clear him and him gonna process what
that's right. 20 Fox. Listen and learn. Okay. The only thing man left for your yard I use condom. Okay.
Yeah, he gonna come back, man. He might come. Him say he come back. He say, you think me I left? Make sure you don't have nobody in my space, you know.
That's right.
When him call him, I call on video to make sure. Say, and him see me dress up and him I say, where you go today?
See it there.
and them kind of way.
No, man, are
Yeah,
you him
you
want,
know.
man? Are you him want? Are you him want, man? All
Yeah,
right.
he might come back.
All right. Now say a
Me not
word.
run with the man and me not rough him up. It's just like you want me try him with the hardcore for the first time and he never go down well. That's it.
Yeah.
But I don't like all the time I do hardcore. Once in a while.
No,
And the
man.
first time he get
No, man.
hardcore.
You have the
And
must come
hardcore
back.
never go down well.
You have the must come back, man. You have the forget me not, man. You have the I shall
Yeah, no.
return. You
He
understand?
not come, him not go nowhere. He not come back. Never send the thing come here. Like when I was talking to him today, me did record it. So I'm gonna send you the recording where him say.
All right.
Yeah, he might come back, man.
All right. Now say a word here. Big up yourself here.
Yeah, man. So everybody we have said, boy, them have to go hide them brother from me. Me see the comments in Raga.
Yeah.
Them have to go hide them near relative from me or what. I am not that kind of person. I hold a relationship for 30 years and I hold one for 10. The reason why I ended the 10-year relationship is because the guy get obsessed over me and him get abusive and I decided I'm going to leave.
Right.
And that is the reason why I leave it. I have it, him still call me. Like, we have a kid together and he still wants us to be together and I leave him for over 20 years now. And he still wants us to be together. I said, no.
That's a long time one. The long time one. Right.
Yeah, the one I was in for 10 years.
Right. That one.
Yeah. So he get too obsessive. And one time he tell me saying dream saying kill me and me say what? Me just run. Me just run because if somebody I tell us them dream so then kill that means you have something with them have planned to do.
Me gone.
So me have to run and hide from him and run away from him and something.
No man, me understand.
So
man.
me always keep me any man me there with me keep them and them never walk me back when me left them. So.
All right, see it then. I say I word my respect for link we back and give an update here.
Yeah, man. Everything
right.
good with me.
Love and blessing. Glad it balanced out here. Yeah, man. Cool.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Tony Fox, you can't take with the woman, man. You can't take with the woman, man. You hear the woman say. The man have him clothes in her yard. Toothbrush. Him have food in her fridge. You understand? Right? The man have food in her fridge. Man have him soda them in our fridge. Him chicken back, salt mackerel, corn pork in our fridge, right? No man no left no food in your fridge when them come at your yard. You come and say, I want to come bad mind the woman, I want to come take set pan the woman thing. 20 facts if you do better. 20 facts if you do better. Big ass steering grown woman like you and you still a body thief. Yo, people, we're going to shift gear a little bit. And I'm play something for you, right? I don't know, I always make fun of Canada, right? But this is not make fun. This is ladies in Canada, right? She's in Canada. And there's an element about her presentation that I don't. Well, I shouldn't have bias it yet and thing or whatever, but she has proffered an interesting thesis that that is in alignment with some of my thinking, And I was like, yeah, she's on point. That is what I think too. That you got to be careful with this this whole thing, yeah. Enough when we come from the Caribbean and I don't know me. I said, don't waste foreign, though. Yeah, that Ragashanti, one of my motto that, don't waste foreign. And foreign are nice, right? But you have to come here for me, say foreign are nice. The people them who not there, them really get it, It's like, I'm from America, go Canada, go whatever. But this lady, she have all her meds. And there are layers here, so there's some things I'm like, yeah. And there are other things I'm like, And as you listener, I want you to identify contradictions in our overall living, particularly, people from the Caribbean diaspora, from developing country who come to these so-called developed countries and things like that. A great many people are questioning that right now. There was an interesting index that came out recently that said, oh boy, wait 1 second. Papito, what's up?
Hi, Father.
Good night, what's up?
Yeah, I came to tell you goodnight.
You what?
I came to tell you goodnight.
Good night, okay. How was your day?
Good.
Okay. Just good?
Yeah.
All right. Tell me something nice that you did for somebody today. Huh? Tell me something nice that you did for somebody today. Papito! Papito!
Yes.
Tell me something nice that you did for somebody today.
I said good morning.
Saying good morning is pretty good. Saying good morning is pretty good. All right. And tell me a mistake you made today that you won't make, you won't remake. Did you make any mistake today?
Not tying my shoes.
You what?
Not tying my shoes.
Not tying your shoes. You're laughing. Okay, that's fine. All right, then. Oh, by the way, people, this is just not for show. This is a regular thing between me and him. So but remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes, okay?
Okay.
All right? You know, me always tell you that. Make mistakes. People who make mistakes, it means they're doing, they're achieving, they're soaring, all right? Anyway, a good night here. Thanks for calling and tell him a good night. I'm here doing my show.
Okay.
All right. Love and blessings, Papito.
Okay.
All right, cool. Hey, boss. So back to this thing, you know, people. So what me I say? I want to listen to that woman, you see? Yeah, Craigton, Planet Zogar. Craigton, you know who run with the Zogar thing? KJ. When me and KJ have Zogar alphabet and thing and all these things and whatever, you know. It's, anyway. People, listen to that woman. All right? Watch it right.
So sick of this shit. I have no quality of life. I somehow allow people to convince me that, you know, a good life and a successful life is owning a home, owning a car, you know, having this career and, you know, taking a student loan to, you know, advance that career, only to find out that when you do all of these things, you become a slave. You acquire all these material things that the bank owns, and all you do is live with the debt of trying to pay for it. And when you realize you have no quality of life, this is May. It is so freaking cold outside, and you know you can't get to enjoy your life. So even the things that you're buying to say, yeah, I've accomplished these things, you're not getting a chance to enjoy because you're living people's workplace. You're like a slave to this thing. It's the worst, and you're not enjoying your life. And you're surrounded by all these bills and more bills, and you realize that somebody tricked you into thinking that borrowing money from the bank to buy a house and, you know, borrowing money to buy a car and all these things only make you, you know, stuck in the matrix. I'm annoyed. I am so sick of it. And at the end of the day, you know, you get sick and you're not living any quality of life. Now, if you want to leave from wherever you are in the world to come and experience this, I'm not going to tell you to stop. I'm just sick of it. I'm sick of living in Canada. I'm sick of feeling like, you know, I need to be released from this bondage. And I'm not alone. And it has nothing to do with color or creed. It has a lot of people are living here in Canada and they feel like a slave. They're not enjoying their life. They're miserable. And some people can't even escape because guess what? Financially, they're not able to get out of their situation. And when they tell you, you know, purchasing a home, one of the biggest, you know, achievements in life, you find out that, listen, all it does is keep you in bondage. I'm so sick of it. And freedom for me means an escape from living like this, where you have the illusion of success and all you do is not enjoy life. When you live here, June and July, before you kind of see, like, the sun comes out and you're warm, and you only have a few months and before you're back to it. I'm sick of it. So I'm not telling any Jamaican, and I'm not telling anybody, because they always mistake when you complain. And for those of you who are going to come and say, why don't you leave? I'd love to. And sometimes it's not that easy. When you get to my age and you put in so much time and you work hard to achieve certain things, and when you see it slipping through your hand, if you don't stay on the plantation, it is very scary. So you end up staying longer than you should. I'm sick of this life. Canada is not the place it used to be. Canada invite all of these immigrants into this space, and before you know it, people who have been here paying taxes for decades are left in the side, even though they have worked hard. And people who never contributed nothing, they come here, bring them, take the jobs from the people who are already here for decades and paying taxes. And now, I feel sorry for myself, and I feel sorry for all the other people who have done all the work and now should be benefiting. Brampton right now has the most people losing their homes. People who work sometimes 2-3 jobs. People who are doing everything to hold on to their shelter. It's a damn disgrace. And I just don't want to be the one to contribute to the illusion of being happy or this being that wonderful place. You're better off living somewhere in a one-room board house where you feel freedom and peace and not feel like a slave. So many people are dropping down in their workplace, trying to hold it together. And I don't want to use the D word, but never really getting to enjoy the things that they work for. People are coming out of retirement at 70. What kind of life is this? It is horrible. And then you got a small group of people who is benefiting from our suffering.
As I indicated before I played it, and as I have told you before, avoid being a zero-sum thinker, like all or nothing, right? That's lazy thinking, right? Textured thinking is where, you can filter. I mean, what somebody is saying. You see, that point there is good, that one's good, but this other one here, probably have a little bit reservation with it or something like that and whatever, okay? And such is the case with what she's saying, right? And first, I could just kind of go over what she said. So she's basically talking about the dream of going to foreign, where enough of we grew up with, like, you go foreign for a better life, right? That is the understanding we know, that there are opportunities abroad in a big foreign where enough of we can get in our own country. And she's saying now, from having come here, that basically there is a game. There's a game that's played at big foreign where if you buy into it and you follow the script, you can end up becoming this automaton, this programmed person who you just like a widget in a vast machinery that is there to serve a minority. Now, that is true. It's just that the minority that she's referring to is also a part of the programming that she herself is condemning, right? Because don't care how she take it, not care how she look on it in terms of how long she there pay a tax and then other people come in and things like that. When she come, other people did it long before she appear tax, and them did think the same thing when them say she come. So we have this thing here that is a trending thing going on because that's the talking point out there from certain entities. That has long been the case, right? Has long been the case with certain people from them come here, come take with the people them land and all them thing there. Then through them take with people and they're always a little bit, them know what them do. So them know that other people can do it to them too, whether consciously or unconsciously. So they're always guarding against that. And so much of that narrative is playing out right now. So I have my reservations with who she's blaming, because the scapegoating itself is programmed. Because when you hear her talk just now, she is not part of the demographic that came in, but she is. She's an immigrant, and she is there disparaging immigrants who come in and thing and whatever, not acknowledging that when she come, there were people before her who I think the same thing about she. And that is an issue right now for a lot of people who come in that way there. But because them good now, them come up with all kind of things about why the other people them who want come different from them. Right? So you have immigrant or opposed immigrant based on what going on. However, her reasoning though, that, you can come here and then there's a game that's played in terms of, are you achieving, are you growing and whatever, you understand? And the big one is you buy a house. And what she's saying is that you can buy a house, you can go out there and buy a house. And you end up, she used language like you spend more time at work just to pay your bills them. So many of us are in that situation, and that the punitive sanctions that exist for you not paying your bills are such that they're stress-inducing, anxiety-inducing, and they have a permanence about them. So you can live your entire life here stressing about bills. You can live your entire life here in depression, but yet they are big fine. She's saying you have to be careful because people can look on the facade and say, well, you buy a house. But people who own houses can tell you, when you buy a house, based on your approach to the house come with a whole heap of things where you have to constantly take care and this and that and whatever. All kind of expenses and things for upkeep and them something. And just to pay the mortgage is a burden. With the specter of them coming to take it from you in case you can't keep up. That she's saying is very stressful. She's saying in general, when you just work hard and you spend your time I work hard, just to keep up. She say she started by saying quality of life. She's like, may I live? If me just live for pay bills, is that living? Right? And she's saying, I better you rent one look one room and thing, and at least you can live and thing like that. She said that now, But so on one side, I agree with her, but I can't tell you how many people may say the same thing, and I go back to Jamaica and just live on, and then go back to Jamaica and then can't keep up and everyone come back here. Thing whatever. So you have that side. While you do have a minority of people go back to Jamaica and they know what they were going into, right? And them know say the life where them are gonna live at Jamaica is not on the standard where them did have it or whatever, if them not have it like that. And them go, and it's not traumatic for them in that, them don't end up engaging in what is referred to as destination happiness. Destination happiness is on people who always believe them need to go somewhere else to live a better life. And once them go there, initially them like, okay, we're good and good. And after a while, them need to go somewhere else to make a better life. Then when they go to that place, them need to go, and it don't have to be country to country. It can be state to state. It can be from house to house and whatever this. And you have these people who engage in destination happiness. I'm not so sure she fully understands that as much as she's complaining about Canada, I'm just saying, she probably don't know him. I said that like a local one, she might go in at that and realize she have a whole host of problem there. But it still doesn't negate her central thesis, which is what's the quality of life that you're living, you know? And how best you can manage that. And I would submit that, because it's a money issue on one level, you know? And when she went into the climate too and the weather and things like that, and that impacts you too, you know? A lot of people don't know that, right? You have seasonal affective disorder. That is my form of depression that I have. It's triggered by seasons and things like that. I am aware of it, I can manage it, and I do well, right? But some people don't even know what's going on there when they're going through that. So there's a confluence of factors here that together, in some, cumulatively, you know, she amends it and she has to, you know, like the weather, and you go buy a house, and she obviously is having some kind of house pressure there, and she's scapegoating immigrants. Mind you, and I'm being objective now, Canada has long had a workforce problem, as is the case with many other countries, okay? So Canada, you know, when they do their due diligence and their analysis, years ago, Canada realized they would not have enough people to sustain the economy, in the workforce to sustain the economy. Quite a few countries going through it right now. Even the United States, believe it or not, even though them have, I believe, like say, this and that, the United States is going, Jamaica is going through it. You hear recently, the Jamaica, them say, we need people to come back because our population is below the numbers that they need to sustain the economy. So Canada was going through it. So Canada came up with some very liberal immigration policies. And those policies were people from all over the world. Canada was just welcoming them in, just come and whatever, with different programs and things like that. And a lot of it was career-based and thing and whatever. And they ended up taking in a lot of people from Asia, in particular, India, even China and other things, but a lot of Indian people came to Canada. And a lot of those Indian people live in that city that she's referring to, Brampton. And I'm not getting involved in it. I'm just telling you, it is the consensus of Canadians, like in the Toronto metropolitan area. It is a consensus that, and I'm not getting into the scapegoating, but just I tell you what Canada say. They say, objectively, they'll say, Brampton has changed, right? And some are not so pleased with the way they believe that Brampton has changed. It's not only Brampton, but Brampton is like center, you know, their surrounding communities. I don't know the names or whatever. And, you know, and they will argue that these people behave differently in public, on the train, and da-da-da-da. So, you know, one thing you're going to say, you know, like, you have these troubling years, you know, like Jane and Finch, you know, back in the day when them say Jamaicans come and spoil the place and whatever, and things, so you've always had that. But broadly speaking, Canadians, for the most part, me run joke with them, but Canadians, for the most part, for a long time, they were way more manageable and calmer and more peaceful, you know, like back in the day. You know, them always had a look at problem and craziness, but nothing like the United States of America. Canada was just known, you know, for being more disciplined and things like that. And over the years, that has changed. There was a time when they were blaming Russians, and then another time them blaming Jamaicans. There was another time them blaming, you know, whatever. Now the thing is, it's the Indians, you know? And so that's a big thing there. And that the government, the critique is that the government brought in all these people for the workforce, but didn't have a housing plan or a plan. Or they didn't have sufficient. They didn't think through, you know, about sufficient critical needs, you know, to help, to complement the amount of people they're bringing in, and it resulted in an adverse impact, not only on the economy, but even on sociocultural elements of living. So you find that a lot of people in the Toronto metropolitan area, they're very frustrated with Canada, right? They say that's changed. You don't hear it as much in other areas of Canada, They have separate issues, secessionist issues over in the Quebec side and Montreal side and whatever. There's always this thing about, Montreal want to cede from Canada, CEDE from Canada and things like that. And they too have some immigration thing. And then over in, forgot whether there's a woman there who leads a province. Somebody probably can't tell me if it's British Columbia or Alberta or something. She's into that kind of MAGA style rhetoric too. And so Canada is struggling with their thing. But you can just hear the frustration in our voice. You can hear the disappointment in our voice. Like, particularly when she said, they sell you this thing that if you play this game, your life is going to be better. And she's just like, I'm sick of it. My life is not better. I am really stressed out right now. That is what she's saying. And I just want to say to you people that, remember, life is about interpretation, and me can see one thing, you see one thing, me see it a certain way, you see it another way, And to the extent that we have pressures and whatever, I get it, So, one lazy out the thing and acknowledge your responsibilities and things like that. But to the extent that you have, responsibilities and obligations and things like that, I would think that you still want to balance them in such a way as much as possible that you don't allow them to stress you out and you worry and all them things there, whatever. But it's a big deal. It's a big deal, If you live somewhere where you say you buy your place, but the way you have to live, you just have the stress. I say you can't lose this at any point. That is hugely stressing, not only in the literal economic sense, but also in the psychocultural sense where the one investment, the central investment in in North America to say, do something with your life is to buy a house. That is a central investment. So if you buy a house and you're under pressure to keep the house, you keep up the mortgage on the house, the insurance or whatever the case may be, that house now becomes tied into your identity, not only for yourself as an individual, but to the society as a whole. It's a statement on you. And we witnessed it in 2008 here in America when people were losing their house. And how they felt shame, and how people talk about them, hear so them lose their house, their mortgage go upside down and whatever. The point I'm making, you have the money element for pressure there, But you have this identity level type of thing to where if you lose your house, like you're a loser, like how you come for lose your house, And then people outside are firing me and say, oh yeah, they're firing and go lose your house, your work, and them not understand the pressure where people feel with them something there, right? Them think they're weird on people, man, right? And you can't just hear it in her voice. I'm not going down the road with her with the tinge of xenophobia that is replete in her rhetoric. I'm not going down that rabbit hole with her, but in terms of scapegoating other people, she was a bit veiled about it, but we know what she was saying about the people coming in and things like that, because at some point she came in too. You understand? But I hear her frustration that And she used the term the matrix, you know, and sometimes people don't understand the show there, you know. That's why it's one of my favorite shows, because it's a metaphor, you know, that you can be so plugged into the matrix, you know, so plugged into the matrix that the matrix owns you, the machine owns you, right? And it can suck you dry, not only physically, but mentally. It can drain you. I guard against it. It doesn't mean I'm going to ignore my responsibilities. I'm just sharing with you. We deal with it with different subject matters on my show. I guard against that. I guard against it, you know, like not being so overwhelmed that it just, like, slowly but, you know, surely just eat away at you, eat away at you, eat away at you, gnawing at you, gnawing at you. You understand? And just wear you out. And you have to be careful of that affaring you. You can't just be so plugged into, you know, Bob Marley said, the concrete jungle, you know? And you lose the ability to enjoy some of the simple things in life. And you see that thing there where she said? Can I tell you layers to her thing, you know? You remember when she said? And then you get sick. And there's a weird cycle in that country, you know. It wear you down and deplete your body, you know, and render your body susceptible to sickness, you know. And then when you start treat the sickness, is another level of the game that, you know, when it come to healthcare or foreign, you know. Is another level of stress you got in, you know, when you have to enter into the treating the sickness realm, you know, man. Whether for you or your relative or whatever, this and that, the healthcare game, I mean, you're gone over another game then now. It's just, you're supposed to get help over this, but I'm more stressed over this, right? All grounded in a minority extracting tremendous wealth from the system then where you plug in and I try to survive, you know. Healthcare, right? You see the brother Luigi Mangione with the woman him love her, and him go slap with the CEO of the you know, the healthcare company who them said like film company, it was awful, you know, that it was awful. Well, thank you, Chrissy, right? So you have that thing where everything feed for everything, you know, where boom, you say, yeah, boy, you have to work. You have to do so and so and so to get a job. Then when you get the job now, you have to do everything to kind of keep the job, to keep up with the things and when you go take on now because of the job, the car and the this and the that and whatever. Then when you do that now, there's a lot of stress inherent in that, you know, to keep the job, to keep the car payment, to keep the utility payment, for the cable payment, for keep the mortgage and whatever this and bills. And then when that stress you don't know and whatever you find say, it's a thing, you know. I don't know me I talk about, you know, a lot of Jamaicans and Caribbean people. When I find on yourself with certain things and whatever, like sometimes when I talk to people back home and think, yeah, and people sick when they're reaching and then 60s, 70s, 80s and thing. And I realize that when I suffer some ailments where them not suffer Jamaica or whatever, when I wonder what go on and thing. You have to be careful. You know, when you live your son, you think you live a better life. You may not necessarily live a better life because of where you or your mind at work. You know? You may not necessarily live a better life a foreign, you know? If you live it in a way where you know, you have that progressive daily, weekly, monthly, yearly stress, then never ending, never gone, where wear you down. Right? Till you become a slave, you know, you lose your health insurance, so you stay at work somewhere and put up with people who abuse you and disrespect you and whatever, because you have to think about the health insurance. And you have to think about the health insurance for your picnic them too, because I know you alone and all them something there and whatever. It's weird, you don't, man. So you can just hear the exhaustion, in her voice. You know, you kind of see her that she's just like, and she keeps saying, she's like, I'm sick of it. I'm so sick of it. I am so sick of it. So the first part of her thing, I feel her, you know, but she can't bounce back from it. And she kind of live the same life, but just interpret things differently. And do some things differently. Because I'm going to be honest with you, you know. Sometimes we bring on stress by ourselves and don't even know so we do it. And we say things rough. Yeah, things rough because you stop fix shoes when time the shoes are mash up. You used to fix your shoes, but you stop do that. You just go buy new shoes. Things rough because no for no have a whole heap of clothes in our wardrobe. We have a whole heap of clothes in our closet where we don't know where them. Trying to buy them and still pay for them pound a can. Things rough because of people can't buy a used car. Right? When I say we are doing things where we make things rough and things sometimes and we don't notice it. Me catch myself at sometime, you know, I'm guilty of it, you know. I'm guilty of it, you know. And I catch myself and I switch up some things and change and say, all right, see what you do. Little make enough. Cut out this, you know. You understand, right? But sometimes some of the things and when we're rough with and whatever is that we change with standard and we don't even notice that we change with standard and we change with standard in a way where it's kind of difficult, you know? Not how we do that. We bounce things differently, right? Yeah. And then you could have take a train. And you stop take train, man, a Uber. You just jump in a Uber, you know, think nothing about it and thing or whatever. I mean, a man attack and whatever. And when you look for how much money you spend on Uber, it was like, what? I still do take out. But me realize in New York City with all these fees and whatever, make anybody tell you, in a New York City, if you buy something from Uber for $30, the bill will come up to $46, $48. And you think at $30, you know. And you may look on that now and yeah, it gone up look a bit. But if you buy from Uber all the while, that add up. And that add up to your stress because the money now stretch. Right? See, people might say, yeah, it's true. It's crazy. I them look something there, you know. See what I go on with the gas, you know. It'll go up by cents, you know. Keep on a go up by cents. But cumulatively, you know, it's rough. Rough. You see it. Anyway, anybody want to jump in and say what no want to say and sitting and thing and whatever. Come in at the dance, you know. I could say what is what and thing. See? Myla says she still a ball for spirit. Boy, spirit say when the jet fuel double and couldn't manage it at all. Chacha say rent got more expensive because when 6 people can live in a 2-bedroom to pay $3,000 plus, a person who wants 1 bedroom use around 1,400 now paying $2,000 plus. Dan say that's true, Raga. True that, Raga. As we bring on stress, people don't even want to wash sneakers and shoes. They just sweep away. Make you talk it truth. Wash sneakers and shoes. And people them sneakers dirty and whatever this and that. Wash what? Them go buy one new one. People not talk it truth, man. Come on, talk it truth. Yeah. You know that never do that one in the day at Jamaica, don't. Right? You would never do that. But you don't realize so you change the game and thing and that the truth. Yo, your thing always loud bad, you know.
You know what I mean? I cockpit, man.
No,
About 90 right now.
No. It loud bad, Papa. It loud bad.
Lord, alright. So when did you do the last time? Turn down the phone?
I don't know how
Turn down the volume?
See me take off my headphone?
Yeah.
It loud, bad, like terrible.
Okay, so I turned down the phone. That's better?
What that?
But turn down my phone.
It's
my
still loud.
Is that better?
I don't know what I don't know, but it loud, like jarring, like you know.
Is that any better? You hear me?
Hold on. Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on, talk. Yeah.
Is that any better?
Not really, you know, but yeah. Yeah, go on.
The thing you play, right?
Yeah.
The recording?
Yeah. Hello? I mean, I'm trucking up people in my drive, you know. The truth, when I hear you here.
Okay. Are you hearing me now?
Yeah, I hear you now, yeah.
Alright. So yeah, based on that recording, man, yeah, says slavery, man. And modern day slavery, all you do is work. I guess I get immune to it. Like working for me now is like playing soccer or go to the gun range. Where it's like a sport, you know, you just get immune to just going. It's like it's real talk.
Yeah.
I don't ever think about it, man. It's
Seeing.
crazy. I mean, being from New York, I'm a New York. You could just make you mentally strong for the entire state, you understand?
Seeing. Yeah,
New
man,
York
that
itself make
yeah.
it tough, man. You have to count.
Yeah, me know, but you say that non-stop work, you just have work for pay bills non-stop and the stress will accompany it and what. Yeah, man, it can wear you out.
From Georgia to New Jersey.
The truth.
Yeah, wear you out, but now the mindset, you know.
Well, I know.
Yeah.
You don't know, but you cut off when car you drive, you cut out, pan, yeah?
Yeah. All right, me try call back later then.
Me general.
Maybe better.
Yeah, man, that's all right.
Oh, cool. Ben.
Well, let me turn up back that thing. 1 3, okay. Boom. Hello? Hello? Okay. People are burnout something, you know, it's real, you know. And then when you have some people burn out and don't even know so them burn out because them live in a space where them say they can't stop. Or them don't know how to stop and adjust, you know. But it's burnout is really a mental breakdown, you know. It's not a nervous breakdown, but it's a mental breakdown. And you have to be careful in other country, man, that would reach you. Hello?
Good night, Raga.
Good night.
I have a story for you.
Send on, make we hear it.
So I meet this guy. He married.
Yeah.
But him tell me say things not good for him and him wife and my plan for divorce the wife.
Seeing.
Raga, out of my 20
years of dating, at first me feel so compatible and connected with someone, which me know something wrong. I never skirt before.
Go on.
Never.
You never
Don't
squirt
know
before?
nothing about skirt.
Okay.
Never.
Yeah.
And the man have me a skirt like a pipe in turn, and me have to beg him for bung it.
That's so funny. You know, enough people now go get it, you know, like Jamaican talk, you know, bung the pipe, bung the pipe. Well, anyway, go on talk.
Me
Yeah.
have to beg him for bung it, brother.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I connect with him. I think I connect with him more than anything else in this world.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And
Him
then
don't want to go home to him wife. Him keep on and tell her him the work while him there me.
okay. So what, that's it? You that's it? So you connect with a man who married?
It just unique.
So-
yeah,
so
we
you-
say it wrong, but I just can't.
Okay. So what is it? What apart from the squirting and thing and whatever? What is it about him that you like?
It's everything. The reasoning, the way I'm
hold on,
listening.
wait 1 second. You an earpiece or Bluetooth or something?
No earpiece, no Bluetooth.
Something make my voice a loop. Yeah.
Getting a feedback.
Yeah, me I hear my voice a come back. Yeah, you know you sure you know depend the ear something or Bluetooth or the string something?
No, nothing like that.
You talk directly in your phone, right?
Exactly.
All right, go on talk.
Yeah, so I don't know what to do because like me caught in a net because them have kids together, you know. But him I say it's like a trap. The lady I try to trap him while she keep on I do this to him. Cause him I say she not do nothing at home, she not cook, she not clean. She's not a feminine person at home. She's like him are the wife and she are the man. She just want work and come in with money and him say him just unhappy and him want out of the relationship. They married 2 years now and him say worst thing him ever do. I don't know.
No, so when you say him say what she keep on a do to him, what is keep on a do to him?
It's like she want him to be a housewife. Just stay at home and take care of the kids while she work. And him no want that. Him say him no grow that way because him a Jamaican also. Him no say a man of the brain with her and she force him to do what him no want do. She can't cook. And him unhappy. Him say him want out of the relationship.
But that's what him saying, right?
Yeah, that's what he's saying.
Yeah. And all right, let me ask you something. If him did tell you, say, I am happy with my wife. We're great. The sex is awesome. She's absolutely resourceful and thing. And me not leave her. Me I stay with my wife and thing. And me love my family and thing like that. You that there with him?
At first, me never, even when him a tell me say wow, me never interested. Come and say, hey, you're married and you have kids, so that's it. He must say no. I know so he might explain it to me, but I know it wrong. But as I say, me no know me and him connect.
Before we go with the wrong, I'm just saying, if when you and him involved now and him make you squirt and you love him reason and all them something, but when me ask, if when you and him did attack him say, I want jump up in your baggy, you know. But you know, me have my wife, you know, I love my wife and my wife love me and the two are happy. And I'm happy with my kids them and thing and my wife and the greatest woman me there with and thing. Me not left her and thing, but me still want to jump up in your baggy. You that juggle with him? No.
Nope.
No. So part of the reason why you talk to him is because him say him want to leave him wife and him unhappy and all these things and whatever though.
Not really either. It is a tricky situation. It's just like somebody will care for me more than everybody else, even my own family.
him just reach out to me like we know each other a long time. And me I say, hey, me don't know you. Why you connect with me like this? So it's like him have a pure art, a kind art. Him just unique. Him just different.
No,
and
he's a
then me
good
I
man.
expect
He's a
him to
good
come
man.
and tell me lie, and him just a tell me the truth. Yeah. Me I expect him to tell me lie when him just a tell me the truth. Him I say, Simone, I'm married.
Wait 1 second here. I don't know why this. Hey, are you okay?
Hello?
Yeah, what's up? Why he's supposed to be sleeping now? I had to answer that in case it was an emergency. Yeah, but yeah, go on. No, no. I understand he's a good man. Because you would not talk to him if he never have good qualities and whatever, you know, and things like that. But
Nope.
But you know, the point is that one second. Okay. So you say you know it wrong, but why it's wrong because is a married man?
Yeah, because he's a married man.
Okay. But you're happy. So what are you gonna do?
Yeah, that's true.
And you're saying that this is a happiness that you've never experienced or felt with anybody before?
Never experienced over my 20 odd years of dating, nothing compared to it.
So this is really good then.
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do? You're gonna keep it? He wants to keep it.
I can't tell him that I'm not going to keep it. So I don't know what to do.
All right, then, cool. So here's the game now. So ideally, where you want to see you and him down the road?
I want to see us forever together. Like we get old with each other.
Nice. What are the possibility that would come to fruition?
He's asking me to give him time to sort himself out with the permanent life he's living, the double life.
Okay. So you're going to give him some time, all right? So him can take the time and sort it out, and then it may work out on one level, correct? And then on another level, it may take the time and it no work out, and if it no work out, based on the fact that he's an absolutely amazing person, is there a possibility you may work with this arrangement for the next 10, 20, 30 years?
Me not have so much time.
You don't have so much time?
20.
Okay.
Unless he's serious and want us, but me not have.
You don't have so much time.
No, me not have so much time.
So perhaps you can go and enjoy it, knowing full well that you not fool yourself that you might have to let it go, or it might work, okay?
Yeah.
Right, what you say? Oh, that's so.
It's a 50-50. It's a 50-50 thing.
Is that 50?
It might happen and it might not happen.
It might not happen. But you love this man. No? You love this man. No?
Yeah, I do.
You do? Okay.
Yeah, but me now look say, hey, this is it. Me still a look out for something else pop up.
Yes.
Because the relationship young, it's like 6 months old, so something might pop up.
Okay, so you're leaving your options open right now. Right?
No, I'm just looking out for anything. Any card can play.
Right. So if a real good option come up right now, you prepare for kind of slider from him and thing. A real good option where single, no married and thing.
Honestly, I'm not out there looking for someone.
You're
not looking for anyone.
Because you love him right now and you enjoy
nowadays it's very
Okay. All right, but just so you know, we're not in the judgment over here. We reason and help and things like that, and we suggest angles for you to think about and thing. And it sounds to me like you're not fooling yourself about what the future might hold. You don't believe, it's not a pipe dream for you. You're not in puppy love like, oh, we're going to be together and whatever. Da, 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 da. You sound like you're sober in what you're doing, okay? Grown folks thing, correct?
Yeah.
Right? So you could just go and enjoy
Sure.
it right now and thing. And a squirt, no. Yeah, so
Yeah.
you really want him bung up the pipe or you want to go and squirt?
Honestly, I think it's too much for me. Remember, I've never had this experience before, so.
Yeah, go see you and squirt and I wait up in bed and all these things done. All right, well, keep your head screwed on and, and don't fool yourself about what you're in. And just know that, despite what he's saying, he may just, I tell you what I need to tell you for you feel good at doing, whatever. Because you know what is what already, but you know where you get out of it, so you just go and juggle with it and work with it, All right?
Yeah, same so.
Where you eat? Eh?
I'm actually making stew beef for him. Stew beef.
Yeah,
I'm asking to make beef for him, so I'm making stew beef.
Oh, yeah, he might come look more. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so he might come look more and he might go come
Yeah,
look
within the next hour time.
Eh? He might come look more and he might go come look more, though.
Yeah. Yeah, you can tell her saying, yeah, but it's actually not him there. It's my day, so.
Oh. I didn't tell her.
We'll be here until tomorrow.
Oh, he must stay tonight? Eh?
Yeah.
Him stay overnight?
Sure. You must stay overnight till tomorrow.
Him usually work somewhere where he have to stay overnight?
Yeah, him look night duties.
Oh, okay. So she think him there work tonight, though.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right then. Okay. She don't know what I'm going. All right. Handle your business, all right?
All right, cool.
Yeah. I'm going to see him eat the beef later. I was sweet you. I still beef me I talk about it. I don't know where you there. Oh.
I still beef me talk about it.
Then I still beef me there. Okay. All right, big up yourself here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, bless you.
All right, Raga.
Yeah, man, cool. Jaja City, Jaja, we have it in a rude boy town now. Go look here now.
Nah, no close, Raga.
Yeah, and where you eat, your mouth a clap before you say, nah, no close, Raga, because you wallops down the food there. Where you name?
Not a food. Me not eat salad.
Me hear your mouth clap a while ago.
Yes, a Wrigley's me a eat.
Go on, good as.
Me there, my love.
What you doing in the bathroom?
Jesus God. Raga, you have to stop them someday, no.
No, but you know I'm good like that, man. I pay attention to them something, No,
They come take a quick little wash off.
Yeah, quick look
And
wash.
you know, me not wash off at night time, but me have to wash off tonight.
Why? You didn't get some earlier?
No, nothing earlier.
What?
And that thing there.
Pink Floyd?
No, sir.
What?
Pink Floyd can't make me wash off.
Okay, that thing there.
Yeah.
All right, then we know where it goes. So when that thing there forward, washing off,
Yeah.
I go on.
Washing off has to go on, otherwise no wash off.
Yeah, me, you want me it there too. For put on. Me, you want me the thing. The way not easy. You talk to me and you put on that, don't. Me hear it a walk, me hear you pull off the tape part. You think me don't know then something there? Yeah, we know them something there. Yeah.
Yes, my
Remember,
love.
say, I know idiot man you chat to, you know, been there, done that.
You know,
You
I
understand?
time to stop, Raga. Me no know when me I go stop.
You know, and what car? You past 50, you know, you past 50 yet?
Yeah, next week me a 51.
Next
Can't
week?
bother again.
All right,
Yeah,
yeah,
next
next
week
week is your birthday.
Thursday.
Right, next week Thursday you're 51. And think.
Yeah.
No, but that not done yet.
Yeah, there me a family member was say from them a party, now them party done. Me have one friend so when she in her 60s it done. Me no want go so long no love.
When you have woman where you go so long up to them in them 60s?
Yes. Me have one friend, one bunonos friend, and she tell me that it every time me complain. I like it again. When me did younger, me did like it, but me not like it again.
Why I wanna go through it, you know? Yet, you know, say in me go sound. Can you have some people like the Raga? You never know that. I don't care. Me never know a woman going at them 60s with that.
Yeah, man.
Right? Because remember, you know, menopause are usually, some people go early, but on average are in their 40s, you know. Go up in their 50s, you know, and can last up to 10, 12 years for some women. So that is the usual stuff. Is to say, yeah, go through this, you know, and whatever. You realize that means that you don't go through menopause yet, you know.
No.
Me ratty. That just, you just educated me tonight. You just
I
educated.
rather you see when me did younger,
Yeah.
me know when it a come, me breast them heavy like a lead. And now, Jesus God, some belly pain what me a feeling in my old days, yeah.
So you never used to have cramps before, and you have cramps like
No.
wow.
Just me bust them feel heavy, tender.
No, man, you teach me things tonight, man. I never know if, honestly, you know, before tonight, if somebody did say, wait, but I said, no, she's in her 60s. That will never happen. Right? In her late 50s, it's unlikely that she's going through that. I didn't know that. I honestly didn't know that, you know. I honestly didn't know that, man. You teach me something. See, somebody post and say FR1 did done when she was 58 before FR1 did done. Wow. But Alien, you realize what that mean though?
Tell me, me can't get pregnant?
Yeah, your neighbor can still push out.
Okay.
Me-
You know, say me's a condom girl.
No, but you still can't breathe, man, and can't fat you up, man, and can push out your neighbor, you know?
You know, depend that if you see my grandson at 10-year-old this year, and then he might go have one nephew and niece.
Yeah.
One, two. Me not depend that.
What you mean, nephew and niece? Your grandson?
Remember, say, my grandson,
Yeah.
the pitney would have to call my grandson would have to call the pitney uncle or auntie.
Right. So he would have been the nephew.
Yeah.
Right. And then
And he uncle and he auntie younger than him. Where? Younger than him.
well, that happened, but in this case, it would be interesting, you know. It would be interesting. But
All right now.
Go on.
One talk, Raga.
No.
Two talk.
No, me think say something is going on, you know. And then usually when these things happen in humanity, they don't happen fast. They happen over generations, you know. But something is going on where there's some kind of shift going on, because I tell you about the studies where they say like there's a dramatic shift in increase in libido in women. It's like basically them I say more women horny in them 50s, and them are like them don't know why that is, right? But when when I didn't even know that women actively, deal with that in them 50s and things like that. There is some kind of slow, slow but deliberate shift going on out there with women and thing where, I don't know, it's like, human biology is correcting for something and what that can be. Because check it out. It's interesting, Elaine, think it out. And by the way, this is just me, a Raga, I think the way I think, all right?
Mm-hmm.
Check it out. All across the world, women are choosing not to have children, right? You follow me so far? Right?
Yeah.
So all across the world, for different reasons. I mean, one of the main reasons the woman is like, no, I don't want to end up taking care of Pitney by myself or whatever. It's a big thing or whatever. For some other woman is like, no, my mother and grandmother grew up with this stigma that she's not a woman if she never have children, and I'm not like that. I can live a fulfilling life without children. So more and more of that going on. But isn't it interesting then that given that when women are not they're choosing not to have children more, that something is going on with female biology that is making them stay fertile longer? What do you think?
Raga.
Yeah, well, these are things I kind of look at and I wonder if there's a connection or correlation between things going on. Well, something is going on there. Something not going on, Something not going on there. So. But what going on otherwise?
You know, Raga, more you stop call up my name.
We call up your name, me call your name, I don't know what you're talking about.
Last week, listen, last week, the man with them teeth in 15 cow.
Yeah. And
the
3
car.
car. She, Blacker, Jojo, and one next one.
Oprah.
Oprah, oh, forget because Oprah name her for the ex though. Yeah.
And the man I describe, you see the one with it, and you say, stop there, Carla, stop. You're coming like one lady, one year alien.
And when you hear that, you bust out a laugh. Me know when you hear that, you bust out a laugh, because, man, I say, yeah, because I saw that one you do, this one you do, like some daddy. Like some daddy. The man says, I'm not an alien, this man.
Last night again, you and the lady a reason she said she meet you, and you say you meet you? I bet you alien a meet you like you.
Me say that? You not hear good man. Me say that?
Yeah. They did in our living room I do something here, baby. If Raga wanna call your name well.
And the woman says she meet you, so I say she go like she want to come take away your title though.
Exactly. Hey.
Yeah.
No, sir.
Yeah, she said meet you though.
Again. Them say what to each his own. Raga, she said 3 times, 4 times for the night. Me not depend them something there. One time put me to bed, and in the morning when the cock a crow, me ready again.
Don't even wait me, because make the cock a crow. My cock no need for crow.
Me like when the cock crow morning time.
No man, enough people love the morning something there,
Yes, man.
Not me. I'm not a morning person. Don't bother me.
Nice, Raga.
No, man. People
Nice.
from a little bit Jamaican swear by it say, what? You wake up and you shut off around and thing. Yeah, they love me.
Man, it keep you going for the beer. If you're a stay warm mom, you clean, you wash, you turn the house upside down. Verse if the man shot, you know? Something why you do what you not do otherwise.
No, look, exercise in the morning get you going for the rest of the day. In general.
Man.
Right. So that is true. That is true.
Last week, no, me hear you and one lady attack. No, you know what make me turn over since night when you say to the lady say Say, only thing a man left in your house is a used condom. Raga, you spear, so.
No, that's the only thing man left a fox house, man. And the only thing man left a fox house. They not even left a regular. They just left a used condom and thing in a fox house, you know.
Last week, now me hear you talk to this lady when she say, man do it, man swipe, and no man can tell her say them no swipe and something. And you say, man, all who never swipe say me. And couple man a say me, and she a say a lie. Oh, she fi say a lie, Raga. And not every man swipe because me tell her say me never suck no lollipop. Should I say a lie, me a
She don't
tell
want to
her?
say a lie, yeah, tell and whatever. Thank you here. Thank you.
Not every man do it.
And every man
Some
do
man
it.
not depend them something there.
And some man mouth still innocent to them thing there.
Yeah.
Thank
Some
you.
man not even put that to woman.
Exactly. So me don't know what I'm to them. But you see through them deep up in for them thing and whatever, and I think everybody can like them. Yes, man.
Yeah. And not everybody do it, my love.
Yeah. Teach them.
So she need to stop it and stop label every man or every woman. And everybody do streakiness.
Right.
Yesterday, Raga, me and one of my friends, me did come in late for your show. So because me and one of my friends, she live America, but she did from she 8 years old. So you know she talk deep, you know? She not talk like hot and spicy.
Right.
She talk deeper than hot and spicy. So you know ladies talk because we only message
when you say talk deep, what you mean? Like accent?
Yes, our accent is like real American, yeah.
Oh, so basically, I say
So what did you say again?
fear accent real, but hot and spicy accent not real.
She talk deeper than hot and spicy.
Right, meaning hot and spicy accent and a real foreign accent, right?
Leave me alone. A foreign accent, hot and spicy accent, a foreign accent, but for my friend deeper, for my friend sound like she born there.
Okay, all right.
Yes. So me and her talk one length at time and then something. So she had tell me about her first relationship and then something there. And she cuddle up with her man. She said, Elaine, I don't search phone and them something there. But you know, she cuddle up with her man and message, one heap of message a come in and sitting. And guess who the message, which name the girl, the lady called, said the message a come from?
Hold on. Sinalicious?
Nope.
Oh. Wait, you want me to guess again?
Yeah, one more.
All right. Dr. Mac?
Nope, Dirty Valerie.
Yeah. Dirty Valerie. Valerie tried to take the woman, man, down.
When she tell me, say the name is Valerie, I laugh. I don't make she no wiser. So me dey on one show and one steel bulla girl named Valerie.
Yeah.
And with her, she did a text her man and all those things. Valerie, you feel leave people, man.
Yes, no, that Valerie there where they come over here and take step with me. She is a definite body thief. You can't just from where she posts and whatever. Those were body thief posts, you know, body thieving posts and whatever this and that. That Valerie right there and thing. She walks around on a pilferer of scrotum sacks.
Yes. And me hear you and make me say Kuka. Kuka, big up yourself, but I you me attack. Big Bear, aka Night Nurse, attack about eatings and him at up in Sunday, Monday, and all these things. Big Bear, your Sunday, Monday, mother eat your raw vegetable, steamed vegetable, cooked food,
Big beer. Big beer, Elaine said she would have slapped with your Sunday Monday right, you know. She said your Sunday Monday Monday should have eat. And she was very clear and said, bring your raw vegetable. Big beer, bring your raw vegetable and thing here. Rolling with your raw vegetable, big beer. Step up with your carrot. Oh.
Like you know, easy now, why you have to choose carrot?
Eh?
Raw cucumber, nice.
Yeah. It's a cucumber nice too.
Yeah.
No, the one when I work with over here, I went name the internet one. I eggplant it name people. I eat near eggplant, the purple one. You know about it something?
Yeah, man.
You know
Me
about the
know
purple one.
eggplant.
But
Me
you,
know eggplant.
you know what it mean on the internet?
No.
Okay, let me tell you something I get in that trouble. It's universal, right across the internet and thing. Eggplant mean the instrument, yeah?
Oh.
Yeah, so
Okay.
and then you see them a post eggplant, that mean body on the internet, you know.
Okay.
And thing or whatever, yeah. See. You ever eat eggplant?
Me not like it.
Yeah, I like it, okay.
Not
But
like
hold on, but if big beer prepare it, you'd eat it?
Me not eat it raw.
Yeah.
I need some An Blenda time.
Big beer, rap. You see it? That's what the thing there, you know. Okay, a big beer a lead right, you know. A big beer a lead and K a lead and thing. Everybody else fall back of the class and thing, all right? Big beer and K a lead, you know. What happened to your friend? You know, defend your friend. Well, you know, see your friend scare somebody.
Yes, my love.
Yeah, I want to make you scares. Well, I want in your throat. Something in your throat? Eh?
No raga.
Ain't nothing in your throat. May I ask you what make your friend scare so you there, but like sitting in your throat. I want in your throat. Oh, something coming in your throat so quick, eh? You all right? Eh? Eh?
Yes, raga.
Yeah, you see you're Gina, you know, you're going like you don't know things, you know. Girl, you go around me, you know. You're going like you don't know things, you know, Elaine. Yeah, man.
I know a little things, man. I don't know everything. A little things.
Yeah, you know, look at things. All right, then. You know, look at things that you're not bust your virgin, you know, but that is all right here. How sweet you, whoa, you hear that? No, it's only Jamaicans know what they mean when we say that. It's only Jamaicans know that, you know, from me say, you're not bust your friend and you go, hey, it's only... Listen to me now. Yeah, it's only Jamaicans. Only Jamaicans who understand our local language code them can pick. And somebody say, yeah, and you know the things them you not tell me. Hey. Yes, man.
Mighty God. Raga, you da run a shop.
Elaine, you know, I am contemplating having a simple business. Yeah. You know what would I run? And if anybody want to come in an investment with me with it, right? We could do it together. A juice bar cafe.
Okay.
It's like a cafe with you know, nice little lounge where like over here it's Barnes and Noble, a bookshop, and there was this other bookshop called Borders back in the day. years ago, this never existed before, but them bust this thing where you come in at the bookshop and them have, you can sit down and them have tables in there and you buy a little coffee and thing and them bust it. Now it is standard right across and thing. You have a lot of people out there, them not necessarily want to go on sports bar or them not necessarily want to go, you know, some crazy place. But them love to go, some of them read them look a book with them. Like a lot of people love to go Starbucks now and just do work and whatever and then buy them coffee and thing. I would love to do that with a juice bar. Yeah.
Out here or over there?
No, man, over here, man.
Okay.
Over here and thing and whatever. And you have a juice bar and people come in and we sell juice, natural juice. And then you create different juice and whatever thing. And you set it up nice and you have the juice menu them up there. And you have some other little small snacks, not big food. It's not big, no, whatever. Like small, like you have like a menu with some creative small Caribbean snacks and thing. I would love to turn up someplace like that every day and just so me I run the business.
Okay.
Yeah. Come make me, you know, get some capital, some money and make me go in it together. No?
Me and you?
Yeah.
That's not nothing. Me can have, we at now 200,000 can start. Me change it over in the US.
200,000 Jamaican, right?
Yeah.
Well, it's a start. It's a start.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a start.
I'm not rich, you know.
Yeah, I was messing with you, you know, but
Okay.
know yourself, man. But no, man, it's something that I would do. I mean, you know, I know what equipment. You know, they have this quiet, powerful, what we call industry standard blender out there, but them quiet and thing. And whatever, you know, and then you could have the juice made, you know, or to keep it, you have to keep the juice. You have a bunch of them up here, but would have met my one unique. Now I put out the secret, because I would have created certain juices where Caribbean people would love it. And other people would love it too, you know? Yeah, and think about it. Somebody like me, yeah, juice. Yeah, somebody like me, yeah, a juice for sale. Yeah, because we into, we love when things juicy, you know. You see what I say?
Straight.
Yeah. So tell me something now. If me start a business like that now, and Kia said she want to come in on the business, and Dr. Max said she want to come in on the business, who am I for go with?
Go with both of them and see who have them head on them body.
Well, you know, say, years you know me, but you know me enough. You know some man would have enjoy that and juggle with both of them. I'm not that guy.
We talking about the juice.
Then a juice me I talk about too.
In the store.
Then a nice store me I talk about too.
Okay.
No, man, let me tell you, Iliam, let me tell you something, man. You see when me I do road and I bad. My principle, you know. You know some man like, me I go through the workplace and whatever. Me? You see, me I not joke when somebody when me work. First of all, you know to do that. But even if me go there, so, you see, if a second person come and run upon me, no, we're not doing that.
No.
We're not do that. I mean, I lie. It was selfish because I protect myself. I protect myself by not being greedy and arrogant and whatever. If you juggle look at one thing, we are going to do with the next woman at your workplace. So no problem that you bring down upon yourself. You fool?
Yes, sometimes the next one, sister, you juggle with the one then and a push in for yourself now, you know, pop style.
Yeah, but when I say even when that happened, because I'm not going to lie, back in the day, that has happened. I'm a principal. We're not go there, so. One woman I work with. You see what I say?
Yeah.
You understand? Then you know our rule from Jamaica. if you have a woman in an area, don't have two women in the same area. Me used to do that too back in the day. But me didn't have two women at Dwayne Park and two at Pembroke, you know. So when me I go one, me drive on the boulevard. When me I go the next one, me go round. Marvelous
And two
side.
of Westmoreland too. You know, remember the two of Westmoreland?
No, you see it, you never get that right, you know.
I never Westmoreland.
It was Westmoreland. But when me go Westmoreland, she hear about the Saint Elizabeth one. And then I mix it up and thing. You see, you remember now.
But at least we have a crew for Westmoreland.
Westmoreland, but you don't forget, hey, you take it easy. Hey, no man, but at the Westmoreland one, did I say, which girl have a Westmoreland? You know, say me alone. Me alone, if it's a Westmoreland or whatever. Me a Westmoreland girl. And what which girl have a Westmoreland? And I just when she come up now and said, but you know me, I deny everything. I don't know what you're talking about. Because when she, the person, you know, me I say, them days there, you know, me don't know what you're talking about, but the person was Saint Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, man, you have a principle with your thing, man. Alien, the whole time me there at Jamaica, right? You ever hear me get catch with anything or any excitement bust by me?
Never.
Never. You think I by accident?
Never.
Nah, man. You have to have body discipline.
Yes, man. And you know if you play your game.
Yeah, and don't greedy. And know when to say no. And not because it did, it means that you have to take it.
Some man, them all say me I go through the whole family.
And brag about it and hype about it and thing. Not this guy. Not this guy. And it don't even have to be like me and them involved. Me have to just say you're pre-me certain way and whatever. And you know, and that makes the still now gonna happen and think. Alien, you see how I'm terrible and go on and whatever. Me not like drama, excitement in my life. No, me not play that something there. Me not play that something there. And you know what is funny? I've never been attracted to women who stay so.
Okay.
Never been attracted to women who chat too much or loud or go on and go
me
on.
I did drama queen.
You're the drama queen when you're younger, though?
Yes, when me younger. But guess what? Now me have to know say him there with the girl. And then me attack. Yeah, in a dance, me attack.
What you mean? You rush girl and be girl for your man from him there with her?
Yes.
Oh, Jesus.
And me know say me a the woman. Me and a side girl.
Yeah.
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 And me a wash, cook and clean. You get me ignorant, they say, yeah, girl.
Worse if them know say you're there with him, though. And then go and go son and move to him, though. And you buck all that in a dance. So what you do when you rush them?
All right, let me give you one dance drama. One night, you know.
Yeah.
You have one place up already what they call Adam's Land. Like you come up for the men.
Yeah.
And go in a one bush. I in a one bush the dance key. But I want land in a the bush. But a two dance did already. The one pan the men did flap. And me and my cousin follow the sound. And we end up at Adam's Land. First we got Adam's Land. We just follow the music sound and follow the crowd. And reach it so. And me and my cousin at the dance, you know, then time there, my baby father and him cousin them and you know a clique of them in a dance. You remember touch the beer gun when you spray it and hold it with the lighter?
Yeah.
So you know people do that in the dance and he see me and come over and come behind me. And you know I go on with the thing. Me see somebody come and whisper in my ears. And he walk off, you know, Raga, and she walk behind him and me just grab her in her ear.
Hold on. When him there behind you and thing, and you know that's something there, like, I wonder what.
Yeah.
Come up while him there behind you and whisper in her ears?
Yeah, whisper in her ears and him walk off. And me grab her back in her ear and the ear come out in her hand. And then me grab her in her neck back. And then the two of we start fight and sit and put on a piece of shoe down in the dance. And Me nephew them and my cousin them hold me round me waist, lift me off of the hurt, and me still hold on panner, and you know, them bring up me hand and sit until me let her go and them suck there. And she did a high, I go on and the baby father come and boom her with the spray pan in her forehead and sitting. And me just
What when you say she start kick up and her make up nice, and then when your baby father him conquer with the spray pan in her
yeah,
forehead?
with the spray pan in her forehead.
Why she did that? What she did a eye pan a style up and a go on though?
Yes.
But if that a go down and whatever, and it's like, I mean, me understand she feel a way say you attack her, but she expect him to like, you know, just work with it when she had this you in baby mother in front of him right there, so and whatever.
But Raga, even if she see him and one woman, she no know me, no, and me no know her, and she see him come behind one woman, wait till him come back over to her, no, because of the touch, making she say me in the dance, you know.
Oh, and probably don't even know if you did see him, you know.
Me never see him.
No, but me say him
never
probably
see
don't
him,
even know
and-
if you did see him. That's why him come over there and say you could have did see him, you know. So if I say boom back, my baby mother in here, make me want to go over there because she could have did see me and thing and whatever and I watch me, you know. So make me go over there and thing. And I saw she come over there, come bright up herself and sparks up herself though. And you just
One day-
call her that.
Yeah, me have me young baby at clinic and sitting and she come down at clinic and I look and send message to one of my classmates when me meet up at clinic say if me never have the baby should have done me. So me say tell her to come because me put on my baby a ground and deal with her. Yeah, me send back a message.
Helena, bad girl something you did a deal with, man.
Me not play when it come on to if me are the real woman.
Oh. You say you're real woman them time and this I used to defend your body though. Oh, you mean?
Yeah, me a side woman, me not fight for nobody.
See it there,
Me a
see it
side
there.
woman, me just a take my jukins when me a get my jukins and I
Yeah.
eat that.
And I eat
Yeah.
that. Yeah. Yeah. John, so talk you God truth. You ever get beat up? A woman ever beat you up, yeah?
Never, God no, me a got gyal yard for them gyal a come talk about them do whatever in a me bed. No go so in a Raga, the girl only a look a hype, one next girl.
Hold on.
look
A B say where she shell out your man in your bed.
Yes. But no go so for real in a real life. She just a tell fear quab them and maybe hear about the news and then something Raga. I go fear yard, you see me hide behind one fence and tell somebody to call her. You see when me pop out of the fence, so man she run like a thief and go in her yard. Right her gate me go fear.
But that the dangerous doing in the lane. You know, them say I get to your car and go fight somebody upon them base.
Right pan her base. Raga, till the man start tell woman say him a twin.
Him start what?
Tell woman say him a twin. Twin.
What you mean? What you mean?
Say my identical twin. Him having original name like you know the name Raga, me not call him name.
Right.
And he say him next twin brother name Mark.
Yo.
So when they see me and him, them know it's a Raga. When they see him alone, them say Mark.
Alien. No, I saw him did bad.
God know like Stewart.
No, man, I
Reach
saw.
a-
No,
reach
Alien.
a twin.
Alien, I some next level game that, you know.
Yeah.
I some next level player game them there, you know, that bad, you know, Alien. So when the dog, I say, when him out there with the woman, the man, she had say, oh, no, your woman that, and him I say, No, I'm a twin brother woman that. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, me name Raga. I'm a twin brother named Rogo. A Rogo you did see. And a Raga you did see. You never notice that him have one more. Look, next time you look if him have one more and whatever. Because you never see them all. I'm a twin brother. You never know say me a twin. And my girl, this and that and whatever, just know me a twin, man. I saw him go on, man. I saw him go on him thing and run up and down. I can't, but I talk to him about it all the while. And him just keep on and go. Yo, Alien, I want a wicked game that the dog did a run in Alien.
Yeah.
That bad no brown bread, did you know?
When he says me I mash up everything what me hear about or what me see.
Yeah.
I say my twin, my love.
And that him tell them though.
Them, not me, not me.
Vinnet James said, true Alien, me used to do them things that a woman did afraid of me.
Yeah. Then it's afraid of me, Raga. Afraid.
Yeah, but look at you, with your little maga self, I walk a beat woman.
Me no clear. And me not do no stabbing or no chopping or nothing. Me just beat out them nastiness.
What I mean, just grab them in the head and what punch? You do the girl punch.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you know how on a punch, on a go some. It's on the one, you know. I mean, I know what Jamaican girls did get this. I mean, I noticed them not do it again, though.
One time me and mine, what I say, back in the days,
back in the days, Jamaican girls them did fight, so.
Yes.
People are swear to me, I'm not lying. Jamaica, I saw them used to fight. I saw Jamaican girls
because
used to
they
fight.
don't want to get no licking of their face.
Yeah, but it's just so weird. See them, no, what did I say about back in the days, what?
One time me and my niece beat one and her bag if you take off her.
But you what?
Take off her baggy off her.
What? Oh, no come for drag off her dress.
We drop her ground, my niece sit down over her and me a strip her.
But what you a strip her for?
Just a strip her. Make she understand herself.
Make she just understand herself, make she hear out her front, you know, front for hear out. Yeah. Yeah. So, you know, hey, my girl, you go on too wicked, you know, breeze out that, yeah? Breeze out that and calm yourself, I think, yeah?
Never play a rag as long as me know say I'm me the right man.
So, Alien, I know I ask you already, you said no, Alien, in all of them fight there, you never get beat up one time,
As
yeah?
a God live it.
Me not believe
True.
that. Me not believe that. Not even one time you rush one girl
Not even one time.
you know, remember one of them no support. No woman never fight back and punch you yet and sitting and hand it to you. And rock you, make you wobble and all and sitting there.
No, they no rock me, make me wobble, but me get a lick, yes.
Yeah, but you never lose the fight yet.
No.
You never get mashed up on the ground yet and sitting.
No, just like how me never lose no race when me did younger.
You never use, you did fast?
What?
Oh, okay.
They used to call me Leapang.
What?
Yeah, God no.
What's that?
What
is
me
it?
don't know maybe through the one animal near Leapang or something like that.
No animal no named Leapang.
Okay, me don't know. Must it too me move fast. Me don't know.
Yeah, it is in reference to something. I don't know what it is, but I don't think it's an animal. Like Leapang. Yeah, I know Leapang.
Me did fast.
I did fast.
Yeah.
So you did win all I raised them a house. Well on.
Yeah, and a red house me always
No,
know.
hold on. A leopard, you say, a while ago?
Leapang.
So what them a talk
Yeah.
about leopard about? A leapang, you say? Okay. So them a running about leopard. But what you did I say? Which house you did in?
Red house, where them always say, red house are dead house. Red house are dead house, and red house ever win.
Yeah, me didn't have one red house too. I would school me then have one red house. And then I think the next one was green.
Mm-hmm. Raga, one more thing. You think say back in the days to know, back in the days was harder than now?
What you mean in terms of life?
Yeah.
In terms of hard time and things and whatever? Alright, I'm gonna say something and it may not make sense, but if you think about it, you probably can see the sense,
Yeah.
Alright. Back in the days, we did have less than now. But if you in many ways, we have more now than back in the days and better now than back in the days. But for many of us, we did happier with less.
Last night, me and my niece did a talk, and you know, she said, look at what you say, it better now. Better now. But she feel said, me and her feel said it harder back in the days because enough time we hungry, Raga, real hungry. And right now you see people throw food in a garbage where we never used to do back in the days. We have to get up, warm up the food, whether yam, banana, anything, it have to fry up. People eat and left now. A dog a get food.
No, I agree with
Food
you.
are going around the sheep.
I agree with you. Then that's what I mean. Say we have more now, right? And life did hard then now. So me say in a way life did harder then because we did have less then. In other sense, life did harder. But in some ways, Alien, you have people who did happier with the piece of bread and and Milo or cocoa when them did a drink them time there, and they put it this way, a lot of people did a go through hard life. I would never know say hard life because our attitude to the hard life was we still laugh, we had fun, we had less stress, even with less, and the rough time, and even the times when we're hungry and whatever. We still had a lot of fun, and our approach to life was different and simpler then. In this modern time now, we have a lot more luxuries, we have a lot more provision, we now walk around hungry and whatever, this and that, for example. But look upon it, we have more food now, and we're sick more than we did sick then.
True. Raga, me no cut you, but back in the days, Raga, when you hear people say them sick, I just like a pressure then did have,
Right. Alien, when we grew up, you hear about women that talk about fibroids all the time? No.
Mr. Pressure me used to hear and them say, Lord, like arthritis in my foot.
Pressure and sugar. Sugar too, and sugar, but pressure. Pressure was a big thing, right? And we now with more, the amount of women who suffer from all kind, let us use one example.
Yeah.
The amount of women the amount of endometriosis from me here, the amount of fibroid problems from me here and whatever and thing. And it is from and the sugar related illnesses. And it is from more. So me not a kaya mattress me grew up on,
Me too.
So the bed feel nicer now, right? Me never have no TV when me I grew up. And when me live with my Aunt Bibsy, when I come out at Homestead place I see after reformatory, I'm gonna live with Aunt Bibsy. She eventually get one little black and white TV. And you have to beat it on the side for the sickness that go up.
Yeah.
Me never know them life.
Sit down on that tree and eat my dinner.
All right, yeah. And
food.
Food never enough. Hungry run and thing. But respectfully, even them picnic, right? Remember, when we are picnic, parents have problem I get we for come back in at the house, you know. Them picnic them is a different word, you know, but in my opinion, like them exposed to more knowledge than we, right? They
Yes.
up on the internet.
Yes.
But when it comes to common sense and survive out in whatever, them picking and prepare for that something they like what we did prepare. Yeah, you know, we did out them man. And we are Japan chip up and we're that outside and whatever and things like that, you know. It's like life is different. When we broke and we are walk and we see one look at sun, we are kin pupa licking at that and all kind of sitting and whatever. And we used to out a board ass, a race ass in the gutter water. We love when rain fall. We get plyboard and we look at diamond board ass them and go out there. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
But we
Me
never
have
have it
one
like
nephew.
that. You know? Go on.
True.
Yeah.
I'm at 20 and now, and so when I'm at 18, 17, 18, you know, we there attack and we attack about pit toilet. And him don't know what is a pit toilet. Me have to go up on the staircase, go show him how we used to set on a pit toilet. Especially when you're going there night time, him laugh.
Elaine, one day I had a humbling moment with some young kids. Me couldn't believe it. You have kids though don't know what a CD is, you know.
Okay, I see.
No, a CD was the coolest thing. We have a CD player, and they were like, what? And then it was at that moment, somebody said to me, and I was just like, wait, you're right. And I said, Raga, want to you, them don't even make car anymore. No new car don't come with CD player anymore. I didn't even think about it, Ilya. And I'm like, you're right. I mean, I want car with CD player. You know the car, man, you put a look at one CD, I have your thing at the back, but it always come with a look at one. Then I'm in a car with it, and I'm like, yo, you know, not even me I keep up with, you know, there's, you know, me I say it's just a different world, you know. So we had less than and thing and whatever, but our approach to life, you know, was we did have less stress. Go back to where the woman I say it kind of resonates and echoes some of what when I play with you hear the thing when I play with the woman, right? Right, so she basically I said, well, she not say it that way, but what we hear from her is, you have to be careful when you come a foreign and you go follow the script, you know, and do what them say, because it in some ways, based on how you preach and it's a trap, and it can just, you end up in a cycle of perpetual stress that wears you down, make you unhappy, and you're so trapped in it, because anywhere you go, relax a little bit and whatever, you're going to lose this, you're going to lose a house here, you're going to lose it, so you can't stop, you're up on the treadmill, and you have to keep on panicking, no care how you're tired and whatever, because you know, you tap whatever, boom, you know. So a lot of that are going over here in the better life of foreign. But mark it though, you have people of foreign here who don't buy into that. You know, you have people of foreign, them not buy into it, them no, for example, them no, they moderate, them no stretch them resources where they not hang their hat when they can't reach it and things. So them have less stress. All right, suppose me tell you, say, you know, say a millionaire in a TamFam, American millionaire in a TamFam. You'd never know, though.
No.
Because them don't want nobody in them business.
Yeah.
Yeah. But so may I say that somebody now who they are foreign and make you a foreigner happy.
Yeah.
And them now, and them have the money and can go very and take her and all kind, and them say, no, I'm a good man. I'm good in my look close, you know, and thing or whatever. Or I'm good in my so and so. I know a woman, she's a multi-millionaire is somebody who have a minimum amount of millions where you can multiply two different numbers.
Yeah.
And that is a multi-millionaire. Somebody have enough million where you can multiply two different numbers, right?
Yeah.
Right. So of course, That is 2. Right? Or 3, wherever you want to put it, Auntie. And you have people in a TamFam who have them look at 3-4 million and thing or whatever, and them just keep it balanced,
Yeah.
Yeah. And them happy and them comfortable, Auntie, because them not take on certain things and whatever, and them not get caught in the rat race and the grind, and I watch the Joneses and thing and want to match them and things. Say, all right, since me have the money, I know I'm going to buy one bigger level house and go hype with it. And, them not depend on so money,
Yeah.
You understand? So how you approach it, Me know people complain and I say, boy, me know people complain and I said, me have a friend, she complain. She live from paycheck to paycheck. She live from paycheck to paycheck. May I say something to you, you probably not believe me. She have almost 50 pairs of shoes.
Wow.
Where she either not wear them or wear them one time and the whole of them in the box them. Right? And woman weak to shoes. Right? So she like, when I say almost, she have like 50 odd if you count the whatever. Right? And it's either she wear them one time or she never wear them yet.
Wow.
All-star netball. I said, that's a half away Raga. Sina Licho said, that is me. Because she have a shoes weakness, she right? And she do that something that a woman do. I don't know if you do it. But you have women and things like them we see a nice shoes and be like, oh my God, man, I forget it. Suppose you see it look good, they say, and then go get the shoes. So I may say to them, so you wear the shoes? No. Well, you not wear it? No, because I don't have the right top feet yet, so I have to put it down and wait for you, right? Somebody, are you serious? So you have these women, they'll go buy these things, then they don't wear it, but them spend the money on it, nice thing. And their thing is, it can't wear yet because we don't have the right thing for wear with it. So they put it down and it stay there, so they accumulate, they hoard, and spend the money there, so.
Now do that, and you have some ladies too. Them we see the things and them buy, so them like it, and when they reach home, they nobody like it.
Yes, thank you. I want to go on this, Alien. Why woman do that?
That me I say, anything me buy at home, me love it, make me buy it.
No, but me tell you what go on this. What me notice or go on this with woman. Some women are like when you say, particularly feminists, not like when you say women are feelings driven. But a lot of women are. It's a vibe, an energy. Like women dressed that way, they're different from man. So woman will look if the thing fit or if it whatever, But there's a next level with woman, So you hear the thing, So when woman, you not stay so, but when woman are trying things, alien, them imagine where this can wear or how them would feel this or how it would look here. So them they have the scene, And when them try it and them imagine themselves in that. And them regulate them feelings when them do it. So what will happen now, them will feel a certain way at that point in the store, where the outfit blend with them.
Yeah.
But by them go so boom now and reach home and thing and them feel different now and that feeling there's almost like some clarity. The outfit not look good again and it not feel good again. You understand? And I said, no, but it did feel good when I think about what would I wear to me in a store, But no, me I look on it and think, but it's a different feeling them have when them reach home now, And part of what go on this, so you see, women when they're shopping, a lot of women when they're shopping, it's not about the thing where them buy, It's about the feeling where them have during the shopping. That is brought on by the things where them see and where them buy. But it's about the feeling then. And them get a good feeling. And them realize that them are addicted to the feeling of shopping. So you say, buy them done shop and come home. This is just a friggin' product. Like, why me even go buy this? I'm going to waste my money.
Yeah.
Because the shopping feeling God know the joy of the shopping feeling, and you get this great sale, or you did a try it on and whatever, this and that and whatever. When that wear off now, and it's almost like reality, knock them and they, you see it. Netball outside netball, I say it's a rush. Rush meaning it's a meant women get off on that. And then when they reach home and reality set alien and them balance up, but they're like, right, what me even buy this for? When me some money, I'm gonna return it, yeah, man, because it don't even look that good too. Right? Yeah. And if a man not understand that, I'm confused with the thing, So you find, say, so you find, say, and you all juggle with a woman in alien. As a man, it take me a while to learn that, You don't know, say, if you can be masculine, if you look at woman, right? And even if you not look her, but you can vibe with a woman when she a shop. Yeah, that's why women love gay man. Some hang out with gay man, because the gay man, them know for shop with them. But they say if you is not a gay man, you's a heterosexual, red-blooded, red meat, heterosexual man. But in your masculinity, you can shop with a woman on that vibe there and not get impatient and be like, just pick where you want. But in that zone there with her like, no man, you see, if you wear that the resurrection, you think turn up, but you have to put whatever, this and that and ray. You see, when you as a man, if a woman don't like you already, and she can shop with you, and you as a man know, say, she just want to enjoy the shopping, man. She may go put on the shoes and whatever, but you not tell her that, You're engaging a ritual with her where she enjoy. You see, become part of that good feeling of shopping, And that become a plus for you, And I saw a woman like that now, she would be on the road now, and a boy, good looking boy, I come look her or drive her down or whatever, this and that. And she don't even look on that, because she has, he probably can't even come shopping with me like Reggae, look on him, Yeah, so you find some you roll them thing that, I saw pum move go man. That's why sometimes when you're patient, and I'll go shopping with all a woman 2 times and think she end up all and say, you're so cool to hang out with. I know your mind, you're like, you're damn right, I want to get in your drawers, girl. And back in the day, you're patient, so when you're juggling them with them, man, woman end up like you and don't even recognize, and don't even know them they like you, Yeah, man, they end up like you like that. The time you program your thing, and you just dead there, you're there and you enjoy what she enjoy, your rituals, them and thing and whatever. Yeah, and you see when you all reach a point now, when you all clutch back at your yard and she can't be like, what you doing? I'm say, no, I'm just there. I'm going on the morning, you roll with me. Yeah, man. When you get all them calling, say, yeah, get in. You see what I say? Yeah, back in them days, there, you see, women are on a feeling. But you not stay so alien.
No. Me go turn her half a tree, and me go in a one store, and me see that dress, and me I say, no. That, me not fit try it, and me I say, no, that won't fit me. And me go, and me say, yes, that will fit me, and me not fit try it on. As long as I small, but me know it will fit me nice. So when me come home at the perfect thing, me not fit try it on. Me just see for maybe the one name the mannequin something, and me say, wow, oh, it looks so sexy on that. I see where so it go look for me.
Well, you and the mannequin, you and most of them mannequin, they have the same shape, so. When no, them start make what them call them full what? What them call the pleasant, the plump ladies, them have one term for it, man. Sanitize.
Fluffy?
No, well that's our term. We talk over here,
Okay.
Full figured. Them have plus size and full figured. And curvy. Them have them mannequin now,
Okay, me never book up on that one day.
Yeah, up to what day when we go over Sonia country, Grenada, with some big body mannequin.
I
Caribbean
think
woman
you did.
mannequin.
I think you did show it by or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we see it at Ghana too, you know. Me like that. Me like that. Representation is important, you know. So we need, because what is represented out there also serve as validation. So when women see mannequin were shaped like them, particularly if it's like a racial demographic type of thing, that's good. So I want to big up them, See.
Raga, you ever go in your closet yet and take out something to put on and not even realize it's a red shirt you take out or a blue shirt until somebody has said, Raga, you're in a blue today. You realize, what you?
No.
Okay.
Only,
Well, me not.
only if it's like generic type. I'm not fussy about clothes. I'm not fussy about clothes, but I'm intentional about what me I put on and me I whatever. So me usually know what me take up, you know.
Oh, I just want to say happy belated Mother's Day to all of the mothers in Raga. Me not tell no lie. So Mother's Day is not. Me not like Mother's Day again.
Right, and we know
Me not
why.
like
We know why,
none
and that
time.
is okay. We totally
I'm going
understand.
to my closet Sunday, and trust me, the first thing what come in front of me is one dress. I mean, not even did realize till when I put on the dress, go up in the shop, one man I say, oh, why you doing a black dress for Mother's Day?
And we know why, and that's fine. That's okay.
True. Me cook Sunday Raga, curry mutton and white rice, and God know Raga. Me just have the fork, just a play up in it. Me not eat nothing Sunday all day. Me miss me call Raga as it catch 12 o'clock before day. Me I get me call to wake me up. Even if me not get birthday call, because you know people can miss the date and them something there.
Right.
Even you want a man will miss the date, but you see Mother's Day, the whole world a talk about Mother's Day. So that day they can't miss him. You understand what I say?
Right. We totally understand. As you know, that it's a difficult day for you, and trust me, every woman I listen right now, you know, particularly every mother, them know, you know, they understand. So, you know,
Especially when you lose a loved one from both sides, mother gone and pitney gone,
right.
you know. But me still have my little bonus nephew them, you know.
Nice.
What cheer me up on them something
And
there.
you have
you
we.
know? Yeah, me know a
And you
man.
have we. Yeah.
Yeah, me know a man.
That's right. And you have Dr. Mark. And you have
Yes.
Mickey.
Yeah.
And you have Big
Even
B.
ANC.
Even ANC, don't it? Yeah, you have the ANC crew and whatever, you know, and they, trust me, they, you know, that's a bunch of women there who very empathetic and caring and so forth and things like that.
Man.
Yeah, you have Chumpy. Yeah.
Yes, me know.
All right. You have Big Beer.
Only dirty Valerie, me no want.
No, we don't want Valerie. Valerie for go from your son and go clean her toilet. We not look for Valerie. Valerie need to go dust her dress, all right, you know. All right, Elaine, big up yourself.
Yes,
you know.
man,
Always
it
a
was
pleasure.
good talking to you,
Always a
Raga.
pleasure, Potos, man. You know, strength and protection. Man, what they are fear, man. Know yourself,
Yeah, man,
right?
me know, man. Me
Elaine, your
know.
family, you know that, you know.
Me know.
Next week, Thursday, all right, next week, Thursday, your birthday, you know, we want you up on the show, and we want people, you know, come talk to Elaine. I want to contribute to Elaine and all these things, all right? Next week, Thursday, yeah? All
Now
right?
make sure Bev keep her shop
Oh, yeah.
next week, Thursday. She come down this morning, Miss Elaine, good morning. So me say, good morning. Yeah, what you doing for your birthday? You have plans for your birthday? And me say, if lay down in my bed and sleep.
All right, then. Say a word, man. We're there next
Yeah,
week, Thursday, for you, yeah?
All right, my love.
All right, my love.
Big up the TamFam then.
Long time. Blessings, man. Cool,
Yeah.
cool, cool.
Ah.
Ja. See, they're almost 10:30 now. Yeah. Lego men's, you know. Lego men's. People, I was hold this party, Hartford, the 20th of June. All right. So Connecticut. That's no say your boy I go there. All right. Let me tell you now. Connecticut. Man, you know, on a place the 28th of June. Party. All right. Wait, this thing. Uh-oh. It's a steel thing. All right, it's Vintage Explosion, right? Saturday the 28th of June at the Elegant Birdcage, 20 Central Street in Windsor, Connecticut. Vintage Explosion, and we are talking about Steel Bashment to play the music. You know, say that I got Jiggy and G-Force from Stone Love, right? Hosted by yours truly, Ragashanti and thing. Big up Vintage King Superstar Kirk and thing, right? It's about 80s, 90s, and some early 2000 music and things, seeing? Right? I'm sure I'm going to squeeze in 270s tune in there and things, seeing? But I want to name Vintage Explosion, Saturday, June 20th at the Elegant Birdcage, 25 Central Street in Windsor, Connecticut, hosted by yours truly, Ragashanti. Right? Connecticut, I want to come party with me. Big people, something and things, see? Vintage Explosion, Saturday, the 20th of June, right? So I say Hartford, not for dead. Blue Hills or Bluefields, I forget. All like surrounding area. I'll do if you come New London, East Hartford, stores, the whole around, no, just come in, man, and make we enjoy ourselves and things. We Dante Antonia. Okay. All right. Dante Antonia, if you can't bring your dog, no, you're not bringing a dog there, whatever, you know. Right? You know, me are the only dog I go there. You understand what I'm saying? All right. So again, Vintage Explosion, Saturday, June 20th at the Elegant Birdcage at 25 Central Street, Windsor, Connecticut. 25 Central Street, Windsor, Connecticut. All right. So I want to make sure so I want to roll out for that. And I'll be in Atlanta on the 13th of June. Right? 13th of June, Atlanta, do it, see? Right? It's a pre-Father's Day concert, all right? At the Lithonia Amphitheater, right? 2015 Park Drive. Lithonia, I saw them pronounce it. The first time I got them, I said Lithonia, and the whole of them look for me like, you know, give they look like, who's the new guy? Right? Because it's spelled Lithonia, but they don't say Lithonia, they say Lithonia. All right, so it's a pre-Father's Day concert featuring the messenger himself, the one Luciano alongside the queen of reggae music, Marcia Griffiths, and the strong one, Itana. And the full set of music and things, so I know so that show you got Jiggy and thing. Luciano, Marcia Griffiths, Itana, and you know other singers are go there and thing. Hosted by yours truly, Ragashanti and thing. You know, the June the 13th, right? So, all right, so Atlanta, Forward and thing, and all on visit Fulton County, whichever town on there, just come, you know. All right, so just come out and make we enjoy ourselves. So them 2 weekend, the back-to-back weekend, we're up on the road and thing, we're gonna be having fun. All right, people, looking forward to see. Well, I never did make one video with it, and Oh, yeah, man. I make one video anytime thing, but it know it name there.
Atlanta, Georgia, surrounding communities and surrounding states. Four Seasons and Midnight Production brings you a thing called Pre-Father's Day Concert featuring the messenger of reggae music, the man himself, Luciano, alongside the legend, the queen of reggae music, Marcia Griffiths, and not to be outdone, the strong one, Etana, an impressive lineup indeed, hosted by yours truly, Ragashanti. When? Saturday, June 13th, we're Lithonia Amphitheater, 2515 Park Drive. That's the pre-Father's Day concert hosted by yours truly, Ragashanti.
Yeah, put on your little radio thing, doing your thing right now, whatever. All right. So people just make sure say Atlanta on the roll out for that city or soon and thing, even if you're, in a Massachusetts. 'Cause I remember Springfield, Mass just up the road, So you can just up across, come to Windsor and things, see it Mass crew. Can Mass big doing. And we can enjoy ourselves on the 20th of June and then Atlanta is the 13th of June. Looking forward to that. I remember Ragashanti ready for work. If you need my MC packet, just email me and I'll send it to you, okay? If you need my speakers packet, because I do speeches, email me and I'll send it to you. If you need my brand ambassador packet, if you have a product or a service, and you want me to endorse it, whether to advertise it only or to be a spokesperson for it, it has to be something that I agree with. I'm thinking that, there's some things where I'm not doing. Right? Just email me and I will and I'll send you the packet. So I have an MC packet, a speaker's packet, and a brand ambassador packet. Okay? Whichever one you want. And then I have a packet if you just want to advertise, right? Because remember, if you have a restaurant, a business, or whatever, you want to advertise on my show here, on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and whatever, that can be done. That can be done. Just send me an email, raga@ragashanti.com, 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 raga@ragashanti.com. Or you can go over ragashanti.com and look on the speakers packet. It's right there. If you go ragashanti.com right now, the speakers packet is right there. You can go down to the bottom of the page and send me a message there and so forth. All right? Ragashanti.com and check it out. Or just send me an email at raga@ragashanti.com. raga@ragashanti.com. All right? Blessings and respect, people. Me only go and things seen. I'm actually going to do some work now. Oh, I had one meal today. It wasn't even a meal. Sardine and bread. I had bread, but it was just sardine and bread. And that's it. And I had some coffee, no sugar. That's all I had today. I'm good. I'm good. But not even hungry. Anyway, people. In our morals, all right? Blessings and respect. Take care of yourself, all right? I remember all of the show them over TikTok, over Facebook, over YouTube. Damn, it's late. Right, over YouTube at tamfamtv.com, tamfamtv.com. Still working with some people that fix all kind of look a problem over big yard, but to notice and whatever. Them just need to fix it first. So send them money and them fix it and thing. All right, we're good. All right, people, sooner tomorrow, blessings and respect. Love.